Twitch stream glowing, formulas flashing, minds wide, knowledge flowing, equations on the board, numbers never sleep, teaching math and physics while them haters count sheep. Actual education, tune in and get schooled, flipping textbooks, breaking all the rules, from Newton to Einstein, concepts elevate. Keep the stream, it's the key to our fate. Dr. Gold dropping gems, knowledge raining down. Actual education making scholars all around. Perpendicular minds, angles sharp as ice. Maths and physics, yeah, the future's real nice. Got the Pythagorean triangles about to flex. Quantum theories on deck, breaking all the specs. Relativity theories, worlds getting small. Grasp the universal laws, standing tall. From the atom to the cosmos, we rolling deep. Grazing up the stars, no time to sleep. Black holes and supernovas, concepts we unfold. Brain power heavy, yeah, that's Dr. Gold. Dr. Gold dropping gems, knowledge raining down. Actual education making scholars all around. Perpendicular minds, angles sharp as ice. Maths and physics, yeah, the future's real nice.
What's up, everybody? Oh, yo, happy Monday, Zach. Yes, happy Monday to you, Zach. It is President's Day. It's technically a holiday today.
That's dope.
What's up, Shantrix? Good to see you. What's up, Recky Rec? Nice. Yeah. Oh, let me start us on Discord. Let's go. I got some news for you, Sensation. I got some news for you, man. I got some great British news. You love this too.
What's that then?
He said, "What's up? What's up?" He said, "Or what is that? What's up?"
What is that then?
I got the notice today from Her Majesty's Passport Office that my British passport has been approved.
His Majesty.
Or is it? Or it's His Majesty now? Yeah, my bad. It's His Majesty now. Yeah. Passport. Yeah, Zach. Right? Yeah. This is a stream where we take questions. Yes, James. Correct. Yeah, you're good.
No,
we just kind of.
This is the stream where I sit there and abuse you, and he sits there. Back.
Actual feet. This is how we fund our nonprofit. Yeah. No, I got the. That'll get us a quit or something, right? It's actually pretty annoying. Anyways, yeah, where I had an email somewhere. I had an email. Where's my email for it? I'll show it. Yes, passport. Where's like my passport update? Where was it? Yeah, there we go.
Is it a blue one or a red one?
Well, I haven't gotten it yet, so let me post it in here. One sec. Are there different colors to them?
Originally they were blue. All throughout my generation, they were
I think they're
always
red now. I think they're red now.
I think they've gone back to. I think they've gone back to blue because we're no longer part of the EU.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. Oh, this wants to stop. Go away, Olaf. Yeah. It says, yeah. Here's. It says, that's my real name. That's my government name. Your passport application has been approved. So it is currently being printed, and I'll probably get it in like a week or two. I'll put a little picture when I get it.
That was quick.
It was. Yeah, I want to say I started this process about a month ago of just like sending all the paperwork stuff in. Shantrix asks, am I going to move there? Maybe. I don't know. With the way things are going on along in the U.S., I don't know. Maybe.
Right. Specifically, what is your gripe with the U.S. currently?
I don't have any gripes right now. I'm a semi-straight white single male. Like, I'm fine. But like, you know, if I was a minority, I probably might not be having a great time. But oh yeah, someone's asking. These are lemon bars. Some girl visited me for Valentine's Day, and she made lemon bars for me. They're delicious. So yeah, not gonna move there just yet. But I figured I might as well have it. It's handy to have multiple passports. I mean, like international man of mystery or something, right? And then I could visit Sensation and stay indefinitely at Sensation's house because I wouldn't need a visa. Got a little corner for me to stream in there. Yeah, so that was some good news today. I also got good news from Zach today. Oh yeah, let me shout out Zach. Zach, great. Zach's on the committee with I want to say the Knowledge TKF, the Knowledge Fellowship, which is a cool group of it's like trying to collect I think all the science and just education streamers and stuff. And I'd applied to this I think like a year ago or a year and a half ago, very long time ago. But Zach made some inroads and is on like the committees and stuff, and so he just told me today that we got approved as an education stream. So I'm like, awesome. Good job. Yeah, so we did it. James says, who is that guy on the left? You want to introduce yourself? Who is that guy?
That's the only introduction you're getting from me.
He's like, peace. That's Sensation. He's been with us for a while. He's a good personality, you know? And he knows stuff about coding. And Japanese. If you ever want to know about Japanese, he can teach you Japanese.
I know stuff about stuff.
Yeah, he knows stuff about stuff. He has a very large collection of vintage video games behind him, as you can see. And so, yeah, if you want anything about cool video game stuff, he's your guy too. Oh, awesome. And I just got confirmation for our AMA guest this Friday. She just sent me over her profile picture and bio, so I'm going to post that today as well. There's a lot of cool stuff happening today. It's nice. I'm glad. Some things are like kind of coming into place. So, yes. Lots of good things today. Yeah, Zach, and you were part of my good things today, so I appreciate that. I appreciate you. There was some it's President's Day today. It's a holiday today. So, ni hao mao. What's up, Mondo? Mondo, you want to play some finals after this? I told Ni hao ma. What does that mean? Like, hello? Hello, Mao?
How you doing?
Oh, just how you doing? I just know shishe, shishe, which I think means yes, yes.
Shit. Thank you.
Oh, it's thank you. Hisha Shiburi?
Long time no see.
James, how'd you find us, bro? I saw you were active in our server the last couple days. I always like to know like where people find us from.
Been chilling.
Bing chilling. Yeah, YouTube's working too. Yeah, this girl's actually really cool. I've actually never met this chick, but she's gonna be on our podcast virtually, I guess, on Friday. So, you know, that'll be pretty cool. She's giving like TED Talks, keynote speaker, organizational leader. I'll write the whole bio, but she's worked with a lot of like executives and leadership people and stuff. She does a lot of cognitive science psychology. I found her through another friend who just like connects cool people. I guess I'm a cool person, so it's really fun. How did she? Yeah. She found me through a mutual friend that I met through saving some girl at a club who got too drunk and was needed a place to crash, and like I let her sleep on my couch, and then she invited me to her friend's birthday party, and then I met this guy at the birthday party. So it's actually a very long list of very random events to why this person will be on our AMA, and I'll go over that actually on, because it is always funny. I always like to ask, like, how do I know you? Like why are we talking to each other? And the amount of just randomness in the universe that causes you to run into people is very cool. I also like to say that nothing is really a coincidence, and everyone you meet in life, you're kind of supposed to. And I love this phrase of like the vibe attracts the tribe, because if you're in certain circles of events and things that you do, you will keep running into the same people, or at least people that are very familiar and like know each other. Even if you're in a huge city, like Los Angeles is like 20 million people maybe. It's huge. But because I'm involved in certain like education or Burning Man or like DJ stuff, I keep running into the same people all the time. And it's super cool. I love it. Yo, what's up, Raiden, dude? Haven't seen you in forever. What's up, Judge?
It's kind of funny you mentioned that.
Yeah. Do you feel like you run into the same people, like in the gaming community?
The population of the UK as a totality is what, 66 million people.
Are we counting the Commonwealth?
No.
No, you're saying just the UK, just the island.
Just Great Britain.
Okay.
Yeah, they're including Northern Ireland. Anyway, but because everything's so compressed, you run into the same people over and over and over again, despite the fact there's less people overall per square mile. Sure.
Then why do you think that is?
I've no idea. You'll just randomly be walking down the street and it's like, oh, I saw you in that city, the next city over sometime. What are you doing here? Kind of thing.
But you keep running the same people, right? You're just like it's cool. Let me see. Let me go through chat real quick. Mondo says I have to reconnect the Starlink. Okay, good. Yeah, go fix your Starlink, dude. Don't break your back, Dad. Don't break your back. Yeah. Mondo lives in like the middle of fucking nowhere, but he uses a Starlink for gaming because it's the only way to get internet to his house. You've heard of Starlinks, right?
I know what it is. I didn't realize it was an actual thing.
It's a big satellite thing. James, we're gonna do questions in like 2 minutes here. 1 sec. I always like to just like say hello, welcome people in, and get the vibe started before we get in the map. This is what a Starlink is. It's a satellite internet thing by Papa Elon. Yeah. For some people, it's like the only way to get internet, like in the middle of nowhere, or if like all the cables go down because there's like a war or something. Yeah, don't break your back. We need to blow it out. High-speed satellite internet, yes. Oh, you only have 20 or 30 millisecond ping? That's actually pretty cool. The only problem is it's expensive. I've thought about the T-Mobile like internet, like the cell internet. Apparently that has really bad lag though. Like you can get great speeds, but the latency is terrible for gaming, so I wouldn't do it. Sweet. Okay, James, we're gonna help you out with math. Raiden, good to see you, dude. Studying for certifications. Let us know what certifications. I know you were in the ROTC, I believe. So I'm curious to see like where you at in your career with that. I think you were a senior this year. Yeah, the researchers in Antarctica, they probably do. Yeah. Oh, it's only $120 a month? Oh, actually, that's not bad, dude. I'm already paying $85 a month for my internet here. They keep bumping the price up. I know I need to just call and, like, threaten to cancel, and then they'll, like, drop the price, but... Okay. Cool. Yeah. Keep chilling in the chat. Tell me some stuff. And let's help out some students with questions here. And... Gold, why don't you call them? Because I'm busy. I'm too busy to like call and complain, but yeah, I'll go do it. All right, let's have a stream. Welcome everyone, Office Hours. My name is Dr. Gold's Actual Education. The stream to help you with math, homework, science homework.
Yeah.
All sorts of fun things. We are now officially a TKF education streamer. I want to actually let me see. Are we popping up in there? There's like a notification thing. They may have not updated it yet, but let's see. Knowledge Fellowship. I think it's under like streaming now or something. Ooh, now live. Oh yeah, look at us. Look, we're right there. Look, Sensation, dude. You've made it to the Knowledge Fellowship, bro. Your beautiful face is here, dude.
My beautiful face.
Yeah, you're live. We're live now. We haven't gotten the role yet. That probably needs time to update, but yeah, we are officially an education streamer now on TKF. That's super cool. Sweet. Okay,
the only reason the only reason why I show my face, right?
Why?
To make you look better by comparison.
Wow, dude, that's the cheerleader effect. I appreciate that. Yeah, Zach, was there a coffee hour this morning? I know. What's it? Sage is sometimes doing those on Mondays. I probably missed it this morning. What is TKF? Zach can probably tell you better. I think it's just a Discord with a bunch of math and science streamers trying to like move forward and do things. So, I always appreciate these efforts. Penn Center is making a lot of headway trying to corral the math streamers together, and that's why we have the calendar and we have stuff. Organization is just helpful to get the word out to more people and encourage other people to join and empower each other. I say all boats rise with the sea. If the sea rises, all the boats raise. Okay. Oh, here. I'll help James out first because he's new. And then, yeah, Shanchek will do yours.
I was going to say, before you agreed to that, who was it that needed to go, like, fairly immediately?
Was there someone who had to go immediately? I didn't see it. Oh, Equity has to go by 6:30.
Yeah, there you go.
Is that East Coast time? Because that's in, like... that's a pretty... It's a pretty... Equity, bro, but he says, I gotta go by 6:30, but then dumps an hour-long coding project. I love you, Equity. Oh, there's a website now. Oh. There you go. Awesome. Yeah. Oh, okay, there was. Okay, I'll try to make them more often on Monday now that I've been accepted into whatever, the Cool Kids Club of TKF. I'm down. Equity says, it doesn't take an hour, trust. Okay. All right. Let me do James's first because he's never asked a question before. Okay, simplify. Express your answer using positive exponents. This is cool. These are exponent rules. So, James, do you know how exponent rules work? Like, for instance, if I have some number x to the power of a times some other number, well, it has to be the same number, to the power of b. Do you know what this becomes? Kind of? Okay. So, if you have the same base and different powers and they're multiplying, this is the same thing as x to the a plus b. Yeah, good multiplication, you had them. Yeah, okay, cool. So, when you divide them, if you do x to the a divided by x to the b, this is just equal to x to the a minus b. It's actually pretty cool why this works. X to the a divided by x to the b is the same thing as x to the a times 1 over x to the b. Okay? And this is another rule we should know, is that anytime you want to express something as like a negative exponent or change it from negative to positive, all you have to do is flip where it is. So, for instance, this thing is the same thing as x to the minus b on the top. So you can take this, move it up, and then make it negative. More commonly, you'll see stuff that's a negative, like x to the negative b, and you're supposed to know to write this as 1 over x to the b. Because it's the same thing. You put it down, and then you change the exponent to be positive. So, if this is the same thing as this gets you x to the a times x to the minus b. And remember, when the things are multiplying each other, the exponents like add. So what you end up doing here is adding a to negative b. So you say, okay, cool, that's the same thing as x to the a plus negative b. But we should remember that adding a negative is the same thing as just subtracting. So this is why this is also just a minus b. Okay. They're all the same. It's all equivalent.
See, I went off in some random direction with that one.
Yeah. Where'd you go?
Anything to a negative exponent is 1 over the number to the positive exponent, right? Like you said. So then I immediately wrote. So I was immediately like the top one divided by 1 over.
Oh, okay. Yeah, actually, sensation. No, that does. Sensation brings up a really good point here, actually. So that's cool that you came up with that way first. My first thing would be like, cool, if I have exponents that are dividing, then I just subtract them. So this is the same thing as b to the 6 minus negative 5, which is the same thing. Minus is the same thing as plus. So this is b to the 6 plus 5, which is equal to b to the 11th. That's how I did it. But Sensation brings up a totally valid reason in which he said, okay, well, this is b to the 6 divided by b to the minus 5. That's the same thing as b to the 6. Let's separate it out. Times 1 over b to the minus 5. And then anything with a negative exponent, you can then flip it to either put it on the top or put it on the bottom. You just put it from the opposite place that it is, and then make the exponent positive. So this becomes b to the 6 times, now this flips, and this becomes b to the positive 5. And now this, we know from this rule, is also going to be b to the 6 plus 5, which is equal to b to the 11th. So sensation, you're actually correct. And I actually think your method is more correct than mine. Because
you've written it you've written it slightly different to how it was in my head. It was literally b to the 6th.
Yeah.
Over 1 over b to the 5.
Oh, okay. So you're going even deeper. So sensation was noticing that b to the minus 5, this whole thing here, is the same thing as 1 over b to the 5. 1 over b to the 5. Oh wow, this is like the 4D chess way to do it.
It's just stupid.
No, it's not stupid. I mean, it's a little convoluted, but it's not stupid. But yes, and so now you're doing this. You're doing a number divided by a fraction. So dividing fractions is easy as pie. Flip the second, multiply. Or I think the other one you guys learned is keep, change, flip. So this becomes b to the 6 times the flip of this, which is b to the 5th over 1, and that's also b to the 11th. Wow, there are 3 different ways you can solve this one. That's pretty cool. Okay, James, do any of these 3 ways, which one resonates with you the most? Keep KFC? What's K? Is it? No, it's keep, change, flip. KCF. Keep, flip, change. Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Oh, what's up? What's up, Nick? Good to see you.
KFC.
I do like KFC. The problem is, the KFC next to me is, goddamn awful. I don't know. They just mess up the chicken somehow. I love KFC, but the one next to me is notorious for just, I don't know. They just don't have their shit together. So subtract for division and add for multiply. Yes. That's the basic way to do it. That's what we did here. But you can also do it these other ways as well. It also works. So, whatever floats your boat. It's a free country, Nice. Good job. Do I get a coin down? Yes, that's how this works. You get a coin and you get knowledge, James. Chantrick showing people how to speedrun to get gift card. Okay, yeah. Key thing here, though, we might have to hold off on Fortnite gift cards because apparently you can't find them anywhere online right now. And I think, yeah, you can't, dude. You can't. I've tried.
So just regular gift cards.
You can't find Fortnite V-Bucks anymore.
Damn.
Oh wait, maybe. Well, you can in the item shop, but if you try to buy them anywhere else, online, if I go to GameStop, they don't have them. I think someone was saying this in. Yeah, GameStop V-Bucks are gone.
Damn.
You can't buy them on Amazon either. Yeah, see, they're not available anywhere.
That's crazy.
Amazon,
Regular.
Walmart, Best Buy, Target, all unavailable. The reason why people are thinking that the reason why they're unavailable is that Epic is about to raise the price on things, and they don't want any leftover gift cards to be at the lower price. So, yeah, people are I can't find online V-Bucks anywhere. So, yeah, if you're looking for V-Bucks, we might have to wait a bit on that. I think they're changing the prices on things, which is annoying.
I mean, you can just get a regular Xbox gift card or whatever.
Yeah, you can get an Xbox gift card or something. It was just nice that I remember when V-Bucks used to be $7.99 or $7.50.
Yeah.
Right? Now they're $9. Dude, if they raise it past 10, I'm gonna get super pissed.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Usually they were 10, and then they went all the way down to 8.
Yeah.
But it was nice.
Yeah, I remember $7.99. And you still get free shit with it, right? You get a free skin or something with it, right?
It was an event or something.
Yeah.
I don't around anymore.
All right, let's see. Equity says he has to go in 5 minutes, so let me try to help Equity real quick. Then we'll do shit. And then Nick, did you post some more math stuff for us to go through with you?
You still have it in your DMs.
Oh, I still have it. Didn't we go through all those? Are there more?
There's a little bit more.
Okay. Well, go find some additional ones, because we're gonna get through those really quickly. I'm pretty sure we did almost all of them. Okay. All right. Let's see. Bob Ross says, okay, write a program called timetable to produce the multiplication table of 1 to 9 using nested for loops. Ooh, that's cool. Wait, there's 2 questions here. Wait, do you want both of them? Like, how's this working? Equity. Which one do you want to help with? Or which one should I help you with before you have to go in 5 minutes? Can we do 11? Yeah, let's just do it. Okay. Okay. Nested for loops. Okay, cool. What language do we write this in? Is this in Python? Oh, it's on Java. Ew. Ew, Java's gross. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, C++ is supreme, yeah. Or Python. I would take Python over Java.
Give me C all day, every day.
Yeah, Sensation's like C or like assembly. He's like hardcore. Okay. I gotta remember how you do loops in Java. But I think what has to happen is, this is all on one line. So you have to do like system.out.print, right? We don't want to do print line, because if you do print line, it's gonna bring it down on the register one every time you do it. So you're going to Java, yes. So
I resent everything that you didn't help me with yet.
okay, perfect. Okay, this is where I use ChatGPT, because I can code. I just forget what the syntax is. So I'm going to say like Java code for nested loops, printing and increasing number. That's all I really need. It'll do it. There we go. This is what I want to see. Okay, cool. And then I will edit this as I see fit. It's just annoying to remember all the syntax. Okay, cool. So yeah. So what you have here is, I can think of the reason why it's a nested loop is you have a number that's going up this way, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it's being multiplied by a new number here that's being increased over and over and over again. Yeah. Oh, thanks, Equity. Yeah. I can try to code in that. What do you mean? I can try to write code? Oh, this just fucking works. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, fine. All right, yeah. Yeah, cool. Let's do it. One second. Let me just copy this code. Okay, cool. I'm gonna... Yeah, this is what we want to do. And then... This always grinds my gears, Sensation. When people put the brackets here, they should do this. Like, I want to see what's in the thing. I hate when they do this. Like, yes, that's how... Zach says no. No, Zach, I need this, bro. I need to see my indentation. It's funny because in... Look at the yellow highlights. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Bomb calorie. Yeah. Don't judge my ChatGPT history. Okay. Anyways. Okay. I need, because in Python the indentation is actually important. All your code is that. Yeah. Is it all on a single line, Zach? Zach just loves violence, dude. Okay. I'm gonna do this. So we're gonna want to have a loop here that's gonna go from 1 to 9. I'm gonna do this because I'm not an absolute savage. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Okay. So this is gonna go from 1 to 9, and you can have it be less than or equal to. That's cool. And then we're going to have another loop inside. So we're going to say for integer j is equal to 1. J is less than or equal to 9. J++. And then we're going to want it to print. So here's the cool thing. So in your the code that's required, I want this number to keep increasing by 1 and be multiplied by 1. And then I want it to keep increasing by 1 and be multiplied by 2. And then keep increasing by 1 and then multiplied by 3. It won't do multi-line chats. Yeah. So in order to do this, you need a loop inside a loop. You need a loop that is increasing this. This is like the innermost loop. And then you need a loop here that is saying what these numbers multiply by. And that's the outermost. And then the key thing here is that I need this to all be printed on a single line and not go to the new line until it gets to here. So there's some like finicky stuff we got to do here. So let's just do it right now. Let's just say system.out. And you want to do print, because if you print line, it'll print, and then I'll show you actually what it does. And let's say I think you can just say I times j. I forget if Java allows this, but let's try it. And then yeah, I also forget you need semicolons in Java, which is annoying. Okay, I think that's just gonna cover it. All right. Yeah, let's just see if this works. Let's just see what happens. Ugh. All right. It already got an error. It's already not happy with me. Does this run? Okay, that runs. Okay, cool. So what's not happy here? What's not happy? I'll show you how to do it on one line. Reached end of file when parsing. It's usually like there's a bracket that's missing. This is okay. This is okay. What bracket are you not hitting, dog? The bracket after the loop? Well, no, it's hitting this one, right? That's this one and this one. That's this one and this one. That's this one and this one. And then that's this one. Below the out? Right here? I don't think there should be anything here. What's up, Cosmic?
Just remove the semicolon.
You want me to just remove this? I don't think I can do that. Yeah, see, it now gets mad because you definitely need this semicolon. I'm missing like 2 brackets. Really? Where?
2, 3, 4.
Isn't this bracket ends with this one? This one ends with this one. This one ends with this one.
That's the wrong way around. That's the wrong way around. Int J is the wrong.
Oh, my bad. My bad. My bad. Thank you guys.
This is the problem with programming.
Dude, fuck this, dude. What? Yeah. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Do you see how this is? Okay. Thank you. I just had the wrong. I had the wrong direction of the bracket. Thank you. It has to be flipped. Yes. Good job. Okay. So watch. This will run code. This will do thing. So look at this. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then it does 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Right. So it's going 1 through 9 times 1, 1 through 9 times 2, 1 through 9 times 3, but it's putting everything on a new line. So what you want to do is we want to do print, and then I think we can do this. Let's make some space. I think this is okay. I think plus is, or do you have to use and? I think plus is okay. And then, yeah, and then here, to put it on a new line, you do this. So after it ends up doing all the multiplication for one of the times tables, afterwards you're just going to do this. You're just going to do a print line, and that basically is going to put a break to put it on the next line. So let's see what happens here. There we go. Yeah, see? Isn't that perfect? Look how beautiful that is. I feel like that's right. If you really wanted to do this, you can like pad the numbers sensation, right?
There's probably
like,
a format. There's probably a format string.
Yeah, there's a format string. It's like printf or something, but you can have it format. But Equity, does that like help you? How like it's gonna print this all on one line? That's what this code does. That's what this part of the loop does. And then when it gets to the next number, like the 2 times everything, before it does that, it does a line break. So here, I'll copy this for you. There's a way to get these to line up if you really want it to. It has to do something with this. Yeah, you have to do print F, and then it's like, I forget what it is. Middle diagonal is squares. Is it? Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah. Well, it said you didn't really need the headers. I mean, if you do want the headers, that's okay. It's just annoying. It means you just have to do this like twice. But yeah.
Actually, it would mean you'd have to interpolate.
Yeah. Oh, because it would be a string.
It leads from left to right, and so it has to go X 1 2 3 and then do all the lines, and then it has to go 1 something, and then break out of that loop and go into the 1 2.
Okay, so yeah, if you wanted to do, oh well, here you go. You could have it just do this just for starters, right? I would just have it manually. System.out.print line here. I would just manually code in like what the first one is. And then here, I'm gonna put this inside because I believe in that. What do you need it to be? X and then a bar. And then you could have it do this. You guys just do another loop basically. I is less than or equal to 9. Plus. Nope. And then you want to do system.out.print. And you just want to print I. And then plus, I don't know, let's say like 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be sufficient, right? And then let's make this one 4. Yeah, how to pad a string. Yeah, you can pad the spaces. Yeah. That's what makes this like infinitely more complicated. Because then here, so for every line, I want to do this. Print. And then I want to print what I is. But, okay, well then we got to do all the bars. Yeah. And then it's plus. And then, yeah. I think that's what we would do. We could do 1, 2, 3. Do you have to convert it to a string? You might have to cast it as a string. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thanks, Zach. Yeah. Let me just see if this does this correctly first. Ugh, what is it mad at?
There's no semicolon.
No, semicolon, not com. See, I'm used to... See, this is the problem. It's like when you speak 2 different languages. If you speak like Spanish and Italian, they're similar. Is the issue, and so you'll keep making mistakes. Okay, where is this? Yeah. I'm like I'm blabbing between 2 different languages. There we go. Okay. Well, that didn't really exactly work. Oh, because this needs to be a print. This needs to be this. And then I think this needs to be a print line. Well, one sec. I think you want one of these. Yeah, an empty print line, exactly. There we go. Okay, cool. See that? Oh, and then I think, well, actually, he wants a bunch of these, right? Just a ton of these. Oh no, that fucked up. Wait, what? Oh. Yeah, wait one sec. It's like how many? This is where like in the coding dev, I would just have ChatGPT just figure out how to make this look pretty. LN, I know new. There we go. Okay, that's what you want. If I wanted to fix this offset, what do I need? Is it that? Sorry, 1 second. Pad the zeros. Yeah. Is it this? Okay, 1 second. Let me see if this is what it is. Yeah, you gotta pad the spaces. So I think he wants this. Okay. So what you do is you create a new string. You would say, let's just declare it up here. String output. And then you'd say output equals. And then here you would put output plus that. I think that's right? Oh, I need to put a semicolon on this, my bad. Yep, okay. Oh, you have to come up with an integer for this too, though. 1 sec. Notice how we had this code done in like a minute or two, but it's the making it look pretty is taking exponentially more time. Yeah. This is just to make it look nice. Why doesn't it not like my output num toString? It's...
Integer cannot be dereferenced.
What do you mean dereferenced?
How to explain dereferencing? It's where you go into a memory location. Anyway, the solution is to hardcast it from the front.
So what? You want me to do...
I don't know how it works in Java, but usually you just tell it that you want the output to be a string, and then give it...
Hey, what's up, Don? Yeah, wait. So Don says also the cheat way of fixing it is to do output num plus... Oh, okay, really? Okay, fine. Well, wait. Output num equals... I gotta cast it as two different... Sorry, this has to be a string then, right? Output num equals this plus... Yeah, this is called typecasting. Okay. There we go. Wow, look at that. Beautiful, Zach. That's fucking gorgeous. Oh, thank you, Don, too. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, so... doing this, whenever you say something's equal to like two numbers plus... And this varies depending on the coding language. Because some coding languages won't autocast like this. Or is this called transmuting? Is what this is called? Yeah.
I don't know, I'm not an alchemist.
Yeah. It's called like typecasting and stuff. This is a whole thing in coding languages. Some languages are very picky about being able to things have to be a number or they have to be a string. And they can't go between the two without using auxiliary functions. And some of them have it built in. Yeah, the format. Yeah, if you want to look at like Java, it pads it to a width of 4, yeah. Oh, thank you, Zach. Yeah, okay, there we go. How to pad a string in Java. Yeah, there you go. There's all these different cute ways to do things. You can do it with like number of decimal places. You can do it with... You can pad things to the right. You can pad things to the left. Yeah. To me, though, like, all this stuff gets fixed in post. Because usually what happens is there's a GUI on top of this that's taking whatever the information is, and it's throwing it through, like, CSS or something to make it look pretty. So, doing what is basically ASCII art here, like, we're making things look nice in a terminal. This is not ever really needed in the real world. In the real world, this would get piped over to some style sheet that would then make it look pretty on a website.
Sorry, dude, but I have to fundamentally disagree with that one.
Oh, he wants to disagree. All right, what do you want to disagree with?
In factories, that's what that would look like all the time.
Oh, yeah. I'm saying, but to most consumers would see things like, they wouldn't see a terminal. Most consumers don't see a terminal.
No, but
Yeah.
we don't know what that's for, though.
That's true. You know, you're right. You're right about this. Actually, now I'm curious. So if I wanted to fix my top header here, how would I do this again? Oh, I need to do this. I need to. Okay, I have to make a. This is so annoying. I gotta make another thing. Or actually, no. We can do this. We can just say output num equals I. We're gonna do Don's trick here. I plus that. And then here, and now we're going to do this. Cool. And then we're going to output this. This will fix it. This should look absolutely gorgeous. Let's see. Wow, it does. Okay, except for we just need a couple more of these things. Recky Rec, chill, dog. You could do without the extra spaces at the end of system.out.print line. Use system.out.print. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that would work too. To me, like, if I get it to work, I'm like, cool, we're fine. Fuck you, chat! Sensation Black. Okay, there you go. Look, alright, is this pretty? Is this pretty? I feel like this is pretty. Nice. Okay, cool. Okay, here, I'm gonna give you this code. I think I can just dump it in like this. How do you do code in Discord?
I don't know. I've never done that.
There you go. That's it. Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah. Thanks, Jeff. Oh, what up, Jeff? Okay, there we go. Okay. Does that help you out, Equity? Yeah, thanks. Yeah, guys. Yeah, it's the 3. Yeah, it's the tilde or the other thing. Yeah, nice. Okay, yeah, you're welcome, dude. Nice. Okay, cool. That was fun. Nice little coding challenge. I got to brush up on my Java skills. It's called a grave. Oh, like a grave.
Grav. No, that's the other one.
I'll give it a B+. The spaces are too wide.
Main.
Yeah, you're the one that had it padded by 4, dog.
Oh, yeah. Circumflex accent, I think it's technically called.
Circumflex accent. Okay.
The acute.
Man. Also, there isn't a comment on every line. Yeah, he's exactly right. I should comment like everything that's happening here. You know, a good coding practice is to write little love letters to whoever's going to read your code next. I can't tell you how many times in my physics PhD, like, some of my code would be like, hey, I don't know why this works, but don't fucking touch it. Or so many explicitives in my code where I'm just like, don't fucking touch this, please. It just works. Yeah, a D+ then, yeah. Is forward accent. Yeah, they are. You're right, Don. The comment requirements. Well, the reason why they do that is because kids these days, when they get a coding assignment, can literally just get ChatGPT to write it, and what the commenting does is it at least forces the student to then explain what's happening on every step, because that's the whole point of taking a coding class, is for you to understand the logic of how to do things. So that when you need to debug things, you understand where it's messing up, because you understand the flow. Let's call it a backstrophe. A catastrophe.
That's just a catastrophe.
A backtastrophe. Oh, God. Okay. All right, cool. All right, good question, Equity. Did I give you bond coin? I did. Okay, cool. Okay. All right, let's do Chantra 6 question. You probably could, honestly. You probably could tell ChatGPT to write code. Like here, for instance, if I just let's just take this. And if I go into ChatGPT, and let's use the super big one, O3 mini high. I'd be like, write Java code to do this problem. Make sure to write comments that would show I understand what's happening. So it's gonna do it. Yeah, I think you can literally tell it to do it. Yeah, here you go. See, yeah, he did the printf, or I say he. I mean, I shouldn't assume the gender of ChatGPT. And look, oh, and it even explains all of it. So here, let's see if we pipe this into where was it? Was this there? Let's duplicate this tab 1 sec. If we pipe this in, do we get literally the same thing? Oh, uh-oh. I think I have to call this main. That's what I have to do for this to run. There you go. Yeah, wow. So ChatGPT can write it in 2 seconds for you. That's actually a really cool... That's the Pirate Bay, dude. What? That's old school, bro. Do you know that guy's out of jail? Or no, that's the Silk Road. Sorry. That's not the Pirate Bay. So yeah, if you want to have ChatGPT write code for you, it can do a great job as well. But you should try to do things yourself. You should struggle. The struggle is how you get better at things. I was at the gym today, and I was doing chest day, and I was struggling doing certain workouts because I'm still getting over being sick. And the struggle is what makes you like stronger. It's the same thing with like coding. Struggling, like, you know, not putting the brace the right way, not having the number padding, forgetting the semicolon, all that stuff is how... Yeah, your camera's good now. That's the only way you get good at coding. If you just tell ChatGPT to just do it for you, you're not going to become a better coder. Struggle is super important, I agree. What's the point of getting better at things if ChatGPT can do it for you? Again, it's kind of the same argument of, why do I need to learn how to, like, you know, bench press when I can just hire a fucking forklift? Like, why do I need to lift things when I could hire a forklift to lift things? It's because girls don't care, you know, how big your forklift is. It's like there are other auxiliary purposes for getting strong. There are also other auxiliary purposes for knowing how to code. It trains your brain to, like, solve logic puzzles in a certain way, which is really cool. And is used for other things. Yeah. Yeah.
There you go, Ricky.
Yeah, Sensation's a mod. He can do whatever he wants.
Just nuke everyone.
Yeah, just start ban hammering everybody.
Ban.
You're all banned.
The
ban hammer, dude. So yeah, so that's... I agree, Jeff. It is interesting. Why we teach certain things, yeah, like coding, for instance, when, yes, ChatGPT can just code for us. I would say that is why it's probably not the best idea to go into the field of just being a coder, because, yes, that is getting wiped out as a career. You no longer need to just... to be a coder is going to be replaced immediately. But you still need people who understand how code works as, like, project developers and, like, managers and stuff in order to get the big scale things done. And you still need knowledge of how the small things work in order to do the big things. So that's why I think.
I should also point out you won't be allowed to use ChatGPT at big companies.
Interesting. Oh, because you're leaking information out?
Yeah. I would imagine even small companies will sit there and say, no, you're not giving any other information. You're not allowed to use, what's that thing that everyone uses on the cloud?
Azure?
No.
Dropbox?
GitHub.
Oh, GitHub. Yeah.
Because although the information has to be stored locally, you can't do that with GitHub.
Oh, interesting. Yeah, so if you're working on any sort of, like, government contracts or anything that's, like, top security or requires a clearance, they probably, will not allow you to use any sort of I mean, ChatGPT is literally just farming your data. So if you keep like, if you're pushing in like private information such as, I don't know, social security numbers or medical records of patients, you're probably going to get dinged. So you still have to know how to do things without doing that. But okay, cool. Reggie says, did you see the news that a Delta airplane landed upside down at Toronto Airport? I heard apparently it's not like officially Delta because it's a connector flight, so it's like branded as Delta, but it's not really Delta. But yeah, I did see that. But nobody's dead. Apparently there are no casualties, so yay.
Does ChatGPT sell data? Yes, definitively. If a product is free, you are the product.
Yeah, if a product is free, you're the product. I don't know if they sell it yet, but they definitely can, and they definitely will, and it is definitely probably in their TOS that they will sell your data.
You're just better off using the original rather than ChatGPT specifically. So just use OpenAI and write your own interface, which is a pain, but...
Yeah. So you can run local models. I showed that actually the other day. I showed how I was using it's called Flux. It's like an image generation but AI thing, and I was running that locally on my PC. So none of that is being sent to a cloud. I generate those images locally on my computer. The problem is you need a really beefy graphics card to do it, and instead of an image getting generated in 5 seconds, it takes like 2 minutes. So
Sounds like somebody needs 4 water-cooled graphics cards.
yeah, I do. Yeah, anyone want to sponsor me? We need some 5090s. Can't even find them these days.
Are they good?
Well, I think computation-wise, the 5090 is actually kind of a rip compared to the 4090 for the price. It doesn't make any sense, but it has a lot of like gaming DLSS, whatever frame generation bullshit. That's great for single-player games. I believe that's what I'm seeing. It's not really that big of a jump.
Vaping kills. No, I kill if I don't vape.
Yeah, Sensation's choosing the lesser of two
You've
evils.
you've never seen Rage unless you've seen me without nicotine.
Okay, here we got Shantrix has got a question coming up. All right, here we go. Andreas, Boyu, Callista, and Diane. Dude, this is the most eclectic collection of friends I've ever seen, dude. What? Each randomly choose an integer 1 to 9 inclusive. So that means it includes 1 and it includes 9. Each of their choices is independent of the others, and the same integer can be chosen by more than one person. The probability that the sum of their 4 integers is even is equal to this for some positive integer n. What is the sum of the squares of the digits of n? Oh man. Oh, this looks tricky, dude. What's going on here? Okay. 1 to 9 inclusive means that there are 10 choices, right? And I think there are 10 to the 4. Because so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 people. But it says 1 to 9 inclusive. Oh. Sorry, I'm dumb.
No.
Yes, you are right. There is only 9. And 9 to the 4 is 65, 61. That makes more sense. Stop zero indexing. I know. That's the coding language in me. I'm like, bro, things start at 0. Index starts at 0. Okay, 9 to the 4 is equal to 65, 61. Well, good. Well, at least we validated that. And then what is the sum of the squares of the digits of n? Oh, wow. So if n is equal to like, I don't know, like 343, we have to then say 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 3 squared? Is that what we have to do? That's really annoying. Okay. Does this play into, is this just like a weird extra requirement? Or does this have some connection to the sum of 4 integers being equal? The sum of the 4 integers being even? You can do this recursively, I believe. Yeah, but you don't get to run code on these challenges. Okay. What's the rule? even plus even is even, right? Odd plus even is also even? No. Odd plus even is odd.
Simple proofs.
And then I think odd plus odd is even.
Prove that
Right.
the sum of two even numbers is even. Even plus even equals even.
Yeah.
Odd plus even equals odd.
Odd plus odd is
times
even.
odd equals odd. Wait, what?
Well, we don't need the multiplication. Now, the issue is I have 4 of these numbers. Yeah, I think what he means by doing recursively is because you have this. You have 4 choices, right? And then you can break down this into like 2 choices, right? So if this is odd and this is odd, then the sum of it will be even. But then in order for this to be odd and this to be odd, you have to have odd, even, odd, even. In terms of sum parity, it doesn't... Yeah, exactly. It's half and half. Is it half and half? Wait. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, I like that. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So the number of choices, right, is... it's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 for odd. So that's 5 out of 9 choices. And it's 2, 4, 6, 8 for even. So that's 4 out of 9. Okay. Okay. So do I have to go like case by case, do we think? Or I could do 1 minus the case that it's odd. Right? Because there's only 3 different possibilities, right? Even and even here, odd and even, or odd and odd. And yeah, what if we do 1 minus the probability that the sum is odd? Right. But I'm just saying it's easier for me to just prove this one case than to have to do this case and have to do this case. Right? Or maybe it's not. I don't know. Because if it's odd, then we either have odd and even, or even and then odd, okay? And in order for this to be odd, this is the recursiveness he's talking about. So we're just going to double whatever number we get here. Let's just do this case and then let's double it. For this to be odd, I either need odd and even, or I need even and odd. In order for this to be even, I need even and even, or odd and odd. Right? Okay. So I think we want number of possibilities, right? So odd times even, right? This is going to be 5 possibilities times 4 possibilities. And then this is going to be 4 times possibilities times 5. And then this is going to be 4 times 4. And then this is going to be 5 times 5. So that's 20 plus 20. So that's 40. 40 possibilities there. And then this is 16 plus 25. So it's 41. And then we multiply by 2? Or... I gotta think how this works. Because then you can have the flip, I think, right? Tell me if I'm wrong here. I think this is 81 possibilities. Because for every odd number, there's a bunch of those that could be even. Or do I have to multiply them through Do I have to do 40 times 41? No, I'm not saying n is equal to 81, because it's 81 and then it would be times 2. And then it would be 65, 61 minus that. It is a product. Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. I thought it was a product. But I think you add these, though, right? I add these at least. I think it's 40 times 41, right? Jeff, do we think it's 40 times 41? Yeah, I want to do the chances, but I want to keep it as... Oh, Don thinks it's 5 times 4 times 4 times 4 plus 4 times 5 times 5 times 5. Ooh. I think Don is correct. Well... Because you could have this, right? You could have odd, even, even, even. But then couldn't you also have odd, even, odd, odd? And then couldn't you have even, odd, 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 but also even, odd, even, even? Oh man, there's so much recursion here. What's up, family? Education actual. Okay, odd sum is 2 cases. One odd and 3 evens. Oh, okay. I like this. I like what Don's saying. It's 1 odd and 3 evens, or 3 odds and 1 even. Okay, good. Yeah, Don, I like that. Yeah, because I was worried I was double counting. Yeah, so you can either have 3 evens and an odd, or you can have 3 odds and an even. But even if I did this, do you see how that's still 3 evens and an odd? Like, the order doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who's doing what. So I agree. I agree with what Don says. So it's 5 times 4 cubed plus 4 times 5 cubed, right? So 4 cubed is 264 times 5 is 320. Right, 64 times 5 is 320. Plus 125 times 4 is 500. Okay. So that's 820. And that was just to produce this, but then you could also have... Do I need to multiply it by 2 then? To get even than odd? Or is that double counting again as well? Yeah, you do 1 minus the result. You think I need to multiply by 4? Since the... Okay. Can they be in any order, though? Oh, yeah, because it's addition. Dude, what? I'm fucking dumb. Well, no, wait. But we split this out. Odd, even is odd. Odd, even, yeah. Even, odd, is odd. Odd even, yeah. Oh, okay, okay, Jeff. Okay, Jeff. I see what you're saying. Correct, correct. Okay, I think we figured this out. Okay, 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 okay. So... I think it's this whole thing. It's all these things times 4, though, right? So it's 320 plus... plus... Wait, 125 times 4 plus 500. So 820 times 4 is 3280, right? And then we want 6561 minus that, right? Plus 1. No. Wait, what's the plus 1, Shantrix? Where's the plus 1 coming from? Don't get me with that plus 1, dude. Where's our plus 1? Yeah, okay. It's 1 minus this. This is over 6561. But then 1 minus that, which is annoying. Where's my calculator? Oh, it's not the gold calculator. What? This is the wrong calculator. We can't use this calculator. Okay, much better. Nice. Okay. Shantrix, you gotta tell me where this plus 1 is coming from. I don't believe it. Minus 3280 is 3281. Okay. So there are 3281 combinations that do work. And then we do the sum of the squareds. What? So that's 9 plus 4 plus 64 plus 1. So that's 13 plus 64, which is 77 plus what? So 78? Is the answer 78? You can tell me it's 79. Is it 78? I think he said yeah. I'm gonna go with yes. Say yes again, Shantrix, if it is 78. Oh, it is correct. Okay, good, nice. I'll take it. I think they just want to fuck with you, Saint. I think that's what they want you to do. I was also curious at first if whether the sum of the squares was like related to, I don't know, the odd and even thing, but it's not. They just do it just to mess with you. You're right. Once you get to this point, then you just have to square them. So then it's just 3 squared plus 2 squared plus 8 squared plus 1. They want it to be in between 1 and 100, but still be complicated. Yeah. This is for a math challenge question, Saint. It's something that they do. What's it called? Is this called the Fermi? Not Fermi question. Fermi's a totally different person. Not the Cayley questions, because those are for like 9th graders or something. Oh, this is the Cayley. Oh, okay. All right, cool. Pascal, Cayley, and Fermat. Right. Okay, cool. All right. Well, we did it. Nice. Okay. I really feel like I stretched my noggin on that one. Oh, sensation. It was sensation bottom, not sensation middle. Okay. Let's see. Recky's got one. And then let me help Nick with some, and then I'll do Adarsh. I'll do yours afterwards. I'm looking into massive open online courses. There are a lot out there, right? There's MIT OpenCourseWare, OCW. There's also OpenStax. I like OpenStax. They just have textbooks on everything. So if you want like If you just want like a textbook to learn from, it's the old school way of learning. Education should be affordable is wild. Yeah. I mean, education is affordable if you're driven enough. And you just want to like self-certify your things, and things. Yeah, education's actually pretty cheap because YouTube is free. The problem is education that employers recognize as something to hire you on, that's expensive. There we go. Thank you, Saint. Education is cheap. Diplomas are not. Correct. Yeah, the certs. The certs are what cost money. Bro, even my sister, who is she's like a pediatric geneticist or something. So she does like, she's a doctor, but she does pediatrics. And she also does like genetics and like metabolics and stuff. For her to get like board certified in metabolics, it's a $4,000 exam. They charge $4 fucking grand for you to be certified to, you know, and that's on top of like, you got to go study yourself and do stuff. They don't charge you $4 grand and give you the course. They charge you $4 grand just to take the test. Just like, that is such a fucking racket. $4 grand? Imagine if the SAT was $4 grand. I mean, the SAT is already expensive. Imagine if it was $4 grand. The reason they do it is because these motherfuckers know that like doctors are going to get paid eventually. Like they do eventually make some money. And so they can justify the cost. I hate this. I hate when people start like raising the prices on things because they know the person purchasing it can afford it. It's the same thing with, do you remember the government contractor thing for the soap dispensers on the AC-130s? Did you remember this sensation? You hear about this? Boeing charged like the Department of Defense like $200 per fucking soap dispenser on their you know, whatever, their military airplanes, because they know it's a government contract that they can just, that they'll pay whatever. Yeah, e-speculation. Yeah, it is. Is that what we're gonna call e-speculation? Anyways, yeah. I could rant a lot about this.
A normal government would sit there and say, well, no, you're charging me $200 for something that's 10. We'll go with another supplier, thanks very much. Right,
but you know, Boeing has a fucking lock, right? Boeing charged government soap dispenser, dude. I'm gonna look this up, dude. It's so messed up. Yeah, here we go. Boeing charged the Air Force soap dispensers marked up 8,000%.
Ma, you done messed up, Aaron.
Like what? God damn it, dude. Oh my god, dude. This soap dispensers. Fucking soap dispensers, dude. Yeah. Man, okay, there was a great okay, so I'm not like, you know, a Joe Rogan whatever enthusiast, but I did watch an episode of his recently because someone told me to go watch it. And his name was Eric Weinstein. He's a evolutionary biologist. He's actually a very cool guy. I really enjoyed, and he had some good conversations about education and incentives and gaming and stuff, which I liked as well. But the main thing I took away was he talked about back in the day, we as humans used to be incentivized to create wealth, right? So in the way of, you know, creating more ships or creating trade or creating buildings or creating farms, like we created wealth. But nowadays we're focused on creating profit at the expense of wealth. So, for instance, people are more concerned about making a quick buck on something while deteriorating the overall status of society. And this is an example, the soap dispensers, you know? Boeing is making more profit by overcharging us as taxpayers money to create these military aircraft. And
which means less
I think
aircraft.
It's probably the same thing with my sister's, you know, board exams. They're charging her $4 grand for something is legitimate. You legitimately need exams to make sure doctors know their shit and so they can be certified. That would be creating wealth. But you're more focused on making a profit of $4 grand on this exam so that it deteriorates the wealth of like society overall. Yeah. Good to see you, Cosmic. Yeah, good night. I hope you have a great night. Oh, man. I could go on. But we got to do some math. All right, Reiki Rec, let's do your question. A ball is dropped from a height of 3 meters. After each bounce, it rises 75% of its previous height. Write the first term and the common ratio of the geometric sequence. Oh, that's cool. What's the first term? Reiki, what's the first term? You guys call it T1? I want to call it T0. This is me wanting to index things at 0 again, but I can't. It's T1, sure. No, it's okay. It is T1. Well, it also depends on... Let me see how your stuff is indexed. No, they do say T1 is the first term. Okay, that's fine. What about when the height becomes less than the Planck length? Jeff, god damn it. All right, okay. They are going to index it at 1 because they're going to put an n-1 here is what they're going to do. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, so T1's equal to 3. The common ratio is then going to be 0.75, right? Because it's bouncing up to 3/4 of its original height. Yep, good. Okay. Write a general term for the sequence. Well, that's here, right? T sub n, T sub 1, that's 3. And then you just say 3/4 to the n-1. Yeah, not too hard. Once you have the formula, it's pretty easy. The way I like to explain this, you know, kind of like visually, right? T1, right, would be 3 times this to the 1 minus 1, which is to the 0, and anything to the 0 power is just 1. You don't count the fall from the height back to the ground. So what they're assuming here, Jeff, is that in the bouncing phase here, you have some deformation between the ball and the ground, and that is accounting for 25% of the total kinetic and potential energy being lost. So the total mechanical energy is being lost only in the bounce. They're not doing air resistance or anything. Yeah. Yeah, and this only describes the max height. It bounces up and falls right. It does. So they're saying after the... No, but you are right that the wording is kind of weird. Because technically this is considered the first bounce. We did another question like this similarly. Where was it? It was not the circuits. Where did we do it? I liked it better. I liked the way they worded it better. No. Yeah, I lost it. Evening, Fembox. What's going on? Oh, yeah, big shout out. We had a lot of other math streamers here. Sorry, I meant... Shout out Don Does Math. Don was out here helping us out.
Good job!
When I can shout out more people, I will. They put a cooldown timer on things. But also, there's a big list of math streamers if you're just joining us for the first time and want to know about some other awesome math streams that are happening. Those are our friends. And then there's a calendar that you can always check out. So you can see when people are streaming. It's super cool. So I think we're the last ones for today. Yeah, this is us. And then we'll be streaming tomorrow. Zach will be there. Phobos is doing a coding thing. That's fun. And nice. Oh, and Zach did linear algebra this morning. Cool. Yeah, lots of fun stuff going on. Go check him out. But yeah, this is weird. Oh, he's roasting your code? Oh, that's awesome. I'm going to come to that for sure. Yeah, the code roasts. That's a clever idea from Phobos. Okay, so after the 6th bounce... So it's interesting. So after the 6th bounce, I think is when n is equal to 7, right? Because this we considered n being equal to 1, and it hadn't bounced right? After the first bounce is n equals 2. I agree, Saint. Yeah, this is where it's confusing. So after the 6th bounce, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6th bounce. Wait, actually, sorry. This is the first bounce, 2nd bounce, 3rd bounce, 4th bounce, 5th bounce, 6th bounce. It's this term. This is n equals 3, n equals 4, n equals 5, n equals 6, and then this one is going to be n equals 7. Exactly. We're looking at the blue dots. Yeah. It's just weird that usually if I wanted to define this, I would say that I would rewrite it this way. I would say t sub n is equal to 3 to the 3/4 to the n. And I would say height after the nth bounce. Then this would make sense because when n equals 0, there have been no bounces, and that's what the maximum height is. And then after the first bounce, when n equals 1, good, that gets you this one. So whatever, yeah. You plug 7 in. You get 3 times 3/4 to the 6. Where's my calculator? I get this 0.533. Cool. Then here it's cool. It says, after how many bounces will the ball reach a height of approximately 40 centimeters? Okay, so 40 centimeters is 0.40 meters. So key thing, they're trying to mess with you here. Centimeters is not the same thing as meters.
No.
So, in that case, we're just going to set this 0.40 equal to 3 times 3/4 to the n minus 1. And then we're going to solve for this. And then we have to subtract 1 from that, right? To be the bounce. Will it be approximately... I mean, it is... Yeah, how close is close, right? Yeah, okay. So, Reki, how do you solve for this? How do you solve for this? Divide by 3. Good, I agree. 0.4 divided by 3. Okay. So that's going to be 0.13 repeating. Okay. But then what do we do? We get the same base. Interesting. Okay. You're kind of doing the logarithmic way, but not. Let me see what... Okay, so this is the same thing as 40 over 100 divided by 3. Which is like times 1/3. So this is the same thing as 40 over 300. So, cancel. That's 4 over 30 is equal to 3/4 to the n minus 1. I don't know if you can rewrite this like this. Oh, what's up, Seth? Yeah. What would have been cool is if it was like this, and then I could write this as something to the -1, and then you set the exponents equal to each other. That's the cool way to do this. So, okay. No using approximate. Yeah. Okay. Let's get it exactly. I'm just curious. The real way, the powerful way to solve this one is to use logarithms. It's the big gun here. So, if we take the log of both sides, what that does is it pulls this whole thing down. Okay. And then you're just going to get that log of 2/15 over the log of 3/4 is equal to n minus 1. Approximately is in the question, well, I mean, depends how, like... Yeah, we're nitpicking at things. It doesn't really fucking matter. I'm going to show you how if you wanted to solve it exactly. Okay. So this gets me n minus 1 is equal to 7.00. Equal to n minus 1. So I think it's after the 7th bounce, right? Because how we had this written, n didn't refer to after that bounce. It was, if n equals 2 was after the first bounce. So if I need n to equal 8, that's after the 7th bounce, right? Yeah, so n is not 7. No, 7. N is not equal to 7. N is technically equal to 8, but it's 7 bounces. This is where the indice thing gets messy. Yeah, if you wanted to write this as this, and then this was like after the nth bounce, then you're okay. Yeah, whatever. I can't read that. Anyways, okay, yeah, cool. All right, good job. Okay. Nick, let me do some questions with you. Are you here, Nick? Yes? I hear him. Well. Let me ping him, actually. 20 viewers! What's up? We're up there in the Twitch space today. That's cool. And it's a holiday. I will say the gym today was absolutely murdered. Like, there were so many people at the gym. I want to say it was 11 a.m. too. So, I think, yeah, because it's a holiday. People are deciding to change their life today. Maybe because it's after Valentine's Day weekend. You know, people just got broken up with or something. And they're saying, okay, today's the day I work on myself to attract the partner I deserve or something. Okay. I'm waiting for Nick. Nick's not here? Okay. If Nick's not here, then a Darsh. I'll do yours. I'll wait till Nick comes back. It says he's offline for now. Oh no, Dark is here. Okay. Okay, Nick. What's up? I don't hear you. No, we don't hear you. Can't hear you. You wanna leave and join back? Yeah, okay, he's gonna try it again.
Hello?
There we go.
Oh, there you go, finally.
Okay, I can hear you now. Here, let me turn you down a little bit though. You're a little loud. Okay. Cool. Alright, what's up? This is your to become a rail person test?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So they're saying the distance Y here is... Oh, Jesus. Dude, what? Dude, what type
Isn't
of...
like the other one you did for me?
I mean, kind of.
So you do half of 2 7/8 and then subtract it with the 2 5.
No.
No?
No. Bro, what? Dude, oh my god.
Yeah, you find the radius and then you subtract it by 2 5 16.
Oh, okay, sorry. Wait. This is the radius. Okay, sorry. I thought this number here was referring to this.
Yeah.
I was about to be like, this is not possible. Okay, yes. So half of this, correct, because it's going from here to here, is going to be this distance, which is the same as this distance, which is the same as this distance. Okay. So do you know how to get half of 2 7/8?
No.
Okay. First thing you want to do is you want to convert this into... So this is called a mixed fraction. Mixed fractions are ugly.
Oh, you make it into the
real big piece of shit, yeah. So you want it... So how do we turn it into a mixed fraction? Into an improper fraction.
8 times 2 plus 7?
Yes. This
That's the
times
only
this
thing I
plus that.
remember about.
Well, I'm glad you remembered it. Yeah. So 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. So I have 23
Over
eighths. Good.
Okay.
Now I need half of this. How do I figure out what half of this is?
Divided by 2.
Okay. But if I divide this by 2, what happens to this?
Oh,
Yeah, uh-oh.
so what do we do?
Okay, so dividing by 2 is the same thing as what? What do I do? This is, you should always know. This is kind of a good skill to know with fractions and multiplying and dividing and stuff. It's called like keep, change, flip, or KFC, as I was saying incorrectly earlier.
Yeah.
So instead of saying divide by 2, I'm going to say multiply by something else. What is it?
1/2.
Good. Multiply by 1/2. What does that get you? We're getting closer.
So 23 over 16.
Yes.
Nice.
Good. 23 over 16. Okay, cool. This, right? That's what this distance is. It's 23 over 16. All right. What am I going to do next to figure out this?
Subtract 5 over 16 by 23 over 16.
Good. Yeah, you got the process down. 2 and 5/16 minus 23/16. Okay, but how do I do this mathematically?
You make it again into an improper fraction.
Okay. How do we turn this one into improper?
16 times 2 is 32 times plus 5.
Good. So you get
37.
37 or 16. Great. Okay. What does that get you?
Shit.
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 Obviously, don't go and do that.
You do.
What is it?
14?
It's going to be 14 over 16.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 3 is 4.
All I did was 3 plus 7 is 30 and then another 7.
Oh, yeah, no. Don't add these. Don't do that. Okay.
No, I'm saying like 23 plus 7 to make it 30 and then another
okay.
7.
Oh, good. Yeah, no, that works too. Yeah, you're working backwards. That's okay.
Yeah.
I got you. All right, and then you can simplify this, right? What can we simplify this as?
Divided by 2? Or no, 4.
No,
You can do
14,
4.
14 doesn't go into 4.
You done messed up, Aaron.
Then it's 7 over 8.
Yeah, 7/8. Nice. So 7/8 of an inch.
Mm-hmm.
Probably what your teacher wants. Oh, which is the answer choice. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
See that? That is 7/8.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, nice.
Thank you.
I'll do another one because that one wasn't too quick. And then Adarsh will do yours. You DM'd them to me?
Give me 1 second. I'll be back.
Oh, this is a good one. I like this. Scales. We're going to learn about scale factors. This is all for... What was his book called? It's rail operator test? Track worker test?
Guide or whatever. And answers.
Track worker, MTA.
And the sad part is you cannot by any means bring anything to the test site that's electronic in any way that you can do the math on, like calculator or whatever. You cannot bring anything.
I kind of like this, dude. I like this test. I like this test, bro. You're not allowed to use anything electronic. You have to use just like pen and pencil.
Typewriter banned. Nothing.
Wow.
You get your shit taken instantly.
Good. This is how life should be. This reminds me of like.
Even worse, you finish the test.
Yeah.
If you take a phone in your hand, your test is gone.
Dude, and Endar's asking, do you have to write a paragraph in cursive saying you won't cheat at the start? Yes, you have to do. Dude, I don't even know if I can write in cursive right now. Like, I
never wrote cursive, but I can always read it for some reason.
I can't do cursive. I don't even remember it. I don't remember it anymore.
I made my own cursive.
Old school standardized test. Yeah, so this is the test he's taking. The TrackMan track worker test. It's old school.
Yeah.
I'm down with it. Okay, let's try to do this. that it was kind of cursive.
Sort of.
Chat, tell me if they'd still make you learn cursive in school. Curious.
I've never learned cursive. I don't know where the hell you learn that shit, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Okay, if a measurement scaled from a drawing is 1 inch and the scale drawing is 1/8 inch to 1 foot, then 1 inch measurement would represent an actual length of. Okay.
So 1/8 and 1/8 is a foot.
So
Ooh.
so you say 1/8 of an inch is equal to 1 foot. Okay.
Mhm.
Where this is what they call this is like the scale, and then this is like the actual, I guess.
I learned something like this, but
It's
I
ratios.
forgot.
It's ratios, equivalent ratios is what they say.
Yeah.
So 1/8 on the drawing, or actually I shouldn't say scale, I should say drawing. That's what I should say. Yo, what's up, Danny?
Good job.
Danny Highway up in his house. Construction workers got to get certified by leveling a construction zone with no heavy machinery, all by hand. Doctors got to graduate med school by doing heart transplants with no tools, by hand. Bro, I like this, dude. It's like the fucking Thunderdome, dude. Yeah. Okay. Drawing and actual. Okay, cool. All right. So this, right? Okay. And then we say we have a measurement scaled from a drawing is 1 inch. Okay. So on this side, on the drawing, you're going to say this is 1 inch. And you're trying to figure out what the actual length is. So you can put like a question mark here. Or you can put like an X.
X,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So if you're trying to solve for X here, right? How do you do that? These are called common ratios. You learned this in like middle school or something.
1/8 times X and 1 times 1.
1/8 times X is equal to 1 times 1. Cool. Yeah. So then what is X equal to?
You subtract 1/8 by on both sides.
No. So 1/8 times X is the same thing as X divided by 8.
Multiplying. Yeah, so divide by both sides. 1/8.
No. So you multiply both sides by 8. Look, because this is X divided by 8 is equal to 1. You want to get rid of this on the bottom, right? You want to multiply both things by 8 because these will cancel.
Oh, you multiplied X by 1/8.
Correct. Yeah. It was X times 1/8, right? It was X times 1/8. If you wanted to, okay, if you still want to, look, so it's X. So I guess these.
Bless you.
Yeah. Just, oh God.
Bro, ricochet.
There's a lot of ricochet. All right. X times 1/8 is equal to 1. You could divide both sides by 1/8 if you wanted. Okay.
My God.
So then you get X is equal to 1 divided by 1/8. I mean, these are good math skills to know by hand, you know, just like a surgeon should know how to replace a heart without tools. How do you do 1 divided by 1/8?
I don't know.
Okay. Do you remember? Remember? Keep, change, flip. KCF. Keep, change, flip.
So
Keep.
1/1?
No,
wait.
this keeps. This is
Oh,
1.
okay. Keep,
Change.
So,
Multiply.
1 times 8/1. So
Oh,
it's
nice, dude.
1.
Nice.
So what's 1 times 8/1?
8.
Wow, dude. Nice.
Damn, bro. That's crazy.
Paul out, fun.
Let's see Paul out.
Okay, but all right. So yeah, you got that the answer is sorry. This is equal to 8. It's 8 what? Is it 8 inches or 8 feet?
Feet.
It is feet. Because remember, the actual was measured in feet.
Right.
8 feet. Okay. Nice. Let's do this one, and then Adarsh, I'll do yours. Y'all need the metric system, bro, dude. He's making jokes here, dude. What? We need the metric system. Where's my kilometer? No. Where's my kilometer one? No, not that one. I'm gonna find it. No, we're gonna find it.
Kilometer or kilometer?
I love that one. I have to make that a special button. Actually, I'm just gonna make that one a special one. I have it currently mapped to my laughing board, but I'm gonna make a special one for that.
Is it pronounced kilometer or kilometer?
That's good. That's a good point. I think it depends where you live.
Uh,
I think I say kilometer,
yeah.
but kilometer is technically correct.
But isn't that a different measurement?
No, it's the same thing.
Oh, okay.
It's like, but
Sensation.
To me,
How do you pronounce it?
yeah, sensation. What do you say?
Miles.
No. What is it, dude?
I don't know. I'm kind of Americanized, so I say kilometer.
Okay, he does say kilometer.
But you should say kilometer.
Mm-hmm.
Like we don't say.
I don't know.
We don't
The
say.
difference in spelling changes it.
We don't say centimeter, or
Centimeter.
picometer, like picometer. Yeah, Danny brings up a good point. Every other form of the metric ends in meter, but kilometer is super special for some inane reason. He's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, because what I was saying about is this. So, like this measurement. Do you know what this is? This like backwards ass looking U.
That's a U?
It's a U.
I thought that was a P.
Micro.
It's called a mu. Yeah, but that's a micrometer. Okay. Or they will actually also call this microns. But we don't
What
say
is bigger, micro
we don't-
or macro?
macro is bigger
Micro.
than micro. But
Okay.
macro isn't used in numbers. Macro just means
Ooh.
like big scale, whereas micro means like there's like micromanagement, which is like you're individually like figuring out whether Bob's using the right colored pens or some shit. And then there's macro management, which is, you know, making sure, I don't know, everyone eats the pizza at the lunch or something. I don't know. But what's interesting here is that we don't say micrometer. We say micrometer.
Mm-hmm.
It's the same thing with PM. This is a picometer.
The hell
But
is
we
a
don't say-
picometer?
Picometer is times 10 to the minus 12.
Damn.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Freak Bob. PMO. It's PMO. Dude, what? Wait, what is that? English? Freak Bob? What the fuck? But we don't say picometer. Nano is 10 to the minus 9, right? We don't say nanometer. We say nanometer. A kilometer is for some reason kilometer. Okay, whatever. It's weird. Okay, let's try to do this. The dimension on the keyway is as shown. Okay, so they want us to figure out what
This
What
is
this
so
is.
weird.
Wow, this is a weird one.
Yeah.
Train tracks.
I guess it was this would be...
Looks like a train track.
It is the freedom accent? Really? Kilometer is the freedom accent? I didn't know that. Okay, what's going on here? Okay. They say that this is 3/8 of an inch from here to here, and we want to know this distance. Wow.
Everything is easy enough for you to do it by hand, but hard enough for you to not know what the hell you're doing.
Well, it's interesting. Okay, so the 45 degrees is cool. The fact that they say this is 45 degrees right here, I like that. Because that means this side is the same as, I guess, this side. Like, this length is the same as this length. Because it's a 45, 45, 90.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So whatever this length is the same as this length, because this is also 45 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
How does that help us, though?
Yeah. I
They
thought
tell
maybe
us-
something like the forgot the method called. What is it called? The triangle.
Okay.
The ABC. I forgot what it is.
Well, okay, so I don't want to get into like square root of 2/2 because I don't think that's supposed to be needed here.
Pythagorean theorem.
Yeah, I don't really want to use the Pythagorean theorem with things here because it's gonna be messy.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty tricky, honestly. So if we assume I just need this distance, really. Because I know from here to here is 3 inches. So then if I get this and this... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no, I'm fucking retarded. Sorry, yeah, no. They just want this to this.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Maybe this is actually not too bad. Yeah. This is actually pretty cool.
The
Okay.
adjacent angle then?
No, I'll show you why it is.
Not adjacent.
Yes, yeah, exactly. Yeah, thank you, Fembox. Okay, this is 45 degrees, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is 90, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when it comes down to here, this also has to be 45.
Mm-hmm.
The special thing about a 45, 90 triangle, okay, is that this side is the same as this, okay?
Mm-hmm.
The slanty parts. The hypotenuse, which is opposite of the 90, is not, okay? So, so this length here is the same as this length, okay? You see that? Because this side is opposite this 45, this side is opposite this 45. Okay. So if this, which is 3/8, then this is also 3/8.
Oh.
Right? And then this is also 3/8. Okay. So now, to get this distance, right, what do we do?
Add 2 3/8 by 3 and then subtract it by...
No. You just do 3/8 plus 3/8 plus 3, because they want this whole length here, right? And we know that from here to here is 3. Okay? So what's 3/8 plus 3/8 plus 3?
6/8? 3 6/8?
3 and 6/8, good. Okay, but then how can I reduce 6/8?
Divided by 2?
Probably 2. So that becomes what?
3/4?
Nice. You see how that's answer choice? See?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Damn. Like I said, hard enough for you not to understand what the hell you're doing, but easy enough you can do it by hand.
Yeah, easy enough if you know the trick.
Yeah.
Like most math things, you know the trick. All right, cool. Let me help out Adarsh.
The two things I hate the most about math is fractions and circles. That's the only thing that's on this test.
Well, I mean, the way to not help, not to hate fractions and circles is to do more of them. You know.
Yeah.
Get some practice. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I'll do Adarsh's, and then if you're still around, I can do the last 2 questions you sent.
Yeah, I'm gonna be here.
All right, cool. All right, let's see where Adarsh is. Aduki. Yo. Nice. Okay, let's do it. Let's hit it. Okay. In the XY plane, a circle has a center of C with coordinates h, k. Cool. Points A and B lie on the circle. Point A has coordinates this. Okay. And ACB is a right angle. What is the length of AB? There's a lot going on here. Okay. Your friend loved the game. He's really happy. Nice, dude. Congrats, dude. Yeah, Adarsh got to level 3, so I bought him a copy of FC 25. Is that a soccer game or something? Yeah, so the level 3 reward in our server is I buy you a video game that's up to $60, and so he wanted a copy of a soccer game for a Nintendo Switch for his friend. So, yeah, nice. Glad he's happy. Okay. Okay, this is the center C. H, K. Point A and B lie in the circle. A has this coordinate. Okay, so H plus this, so it's somewhere over here. Right? And then this is at H plus 1, K plus the square root of 102. And then ACB. Where is point B? Oh, ACB is a right angle. Ooh, tricky. Okay, so B needs to be somewhere down here then, right? I guess B could be up here as well. But then this needs to make a right angle. What is the length of AB? Aha. So they want to know what this is. So they're asking for this. Okay. Jeff is right. So, if we want to figure out the length... So the nice thing is we know this is a right angle, okay? So, if we get the length of this and the length of this, which... This is funny, Nick, because this is kind of the same thing that happened with you. If this is a right angle, and we know that these distances are the same, that means this one is 45 degrees, and this one is also 45 degrees.
I have no idea what you guys are doing, but that's cool.
Yeah. Well, okay. So, do you remember when if a triangle has two sides that are equal? This happened on your last question, dude. It was literally this one, right?
Yeah.
Like right here. This was a triangle where this side was equal to this side because this angle is 45 degrees and this angle is 45 degrees. And there was a right angle.
That's wild that you figured that out. What the
It's
hell?
the same thing here. Well, this is a 90-degree angle, and I know this side is equal to this side because they're both radii. So, yes, it is an isosceles triangle. That's the correct term, St. Ross. It's an isosceles. You should know this also. Isosceles, right? This is the same as this. So, there's actually a special property for how this works. It has to do with, like, 1 squared root of 2. It's like 1 squared root of 2. But you can also get that from the Pythagorean theorem. Anyways, if this is h, and this is h plus 1, and then this is k, and this is k plus... Let's just get this distance. So the distance of AC will be this point minus this point. But then, like, sum of squares and stuff. So it's y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared, and then square rooted. This comes from the Pythagorean theorem itself, actually, which is pretty cool. So, k plus the square root of 1 over 2 minus k, that's just the square root of 102 squared. And then it's h plus 1 minus h, that's just 1 squared. Okay. In Danish, you call it equal-legged. That's funny. I love how the name for it has the property in it. Good. Okay, so then that's just the square root of 103. Okay. It is a distance formula. Yeah, it's a distance formula. Okay, so now I know that this is the square root of 103. To find this distance, I can do the square root of 103 squared plus the square root of 103 squared equals c squared. That's the Pythagorean theorem, right? This squared plus this squared equals this squared. So that's going to be 206 is equal to c squared. So you can say c is equal to the square root of 206. Which is just choice A, I believe. I believe it's just choice A. Yeah. The other way to recognize this is a special triangle, Adarsh, which is called the 45-45-90 triangle. What's up, Equity? So 45-45-90, which can be written as 1 square root of 2, or you could write it as 1 square root of 2 over 2 square root of 2 over 2. So if each of these sides are 1, then this side is the square root of that side. So, sorry. If each of these are 1, this is the square root of 2 times that side. So in this case, it's the square root of 1 over 3 times the square root of 2, which gets you the square root of 206. Yeah. Nice. Okay, cool. All right. Good job there, Darsh. I gotta give one too. to Nick.
Well done.
What's up, Moses? What's up, dog? And then I gotta give one to Dark, or to Adarsh. Nice. Okay. Bond coins, they do exist, dude. You know where they are. All right. Nick, let me help out. How is Bond? I haven't seen Bond in a while, actually. Honestly, he's in Daddy Land. He has 2 kids.
All right.
Yeah.
How are they?
They're good. They're good. They're getting older. They're like 2 and 3 years old or something, or 3 and 4 maybe.
Oh,
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
The only reason I sent you that photo was because how shit they made it. You can
Yeah, bro.
barely see any of the.
Yeah. Wait. How am I supposed to even like read this, dog?
Bro.
Yeah. Isosceles Liga Bennett, where Liga means equal and Bennett means legged. If all 3 or sides are equal, we call it Liga Sidet. Sidet means sided. Equal sided. Oh, yeah. We also call that equilateral. So that one makes sense. Why did they deep fry the fucking diagram? Yeah, dude. What? This is seriously. This is in your test book. It looks like this.
Bro, if
Jesus
this shit is
Christ.
on the test as well, I'm done, bro.
Bro.
There's so many grammar mistakes. Half of the words are missing from half of the questions. How did they release these books, bro?
I guess they were too busy. They were too busy working on the train tracks to get a decent printer. Excuse me.
Before is spelled wrong.
Is it spelled wrong?
Before is spelled wrong.
No, it's spelled right. Before, right? Isn't it before?
F-O-R.
Oh no.
Okay, it just looks weird.
Yeah, no. It looks weird because there's a fucking hyphen on it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, the strap iron bracket shown is to support the length of the strap needed before bending. Oh, okay. So you have this. You have like this, then this, and 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 then this. And this was like all like a straight piece of metal first.
Yeah.
They say bracket is spelled wrong. Oh, it is spelled wrong. Bracket. Bracket.
Why do I feel like this was printed in India or something?
I don't know, dude. This is printed on the railroad, dog. Okay, it's bracket.
But we've got a post iron bracket.
Bracket. Okay. Let's see. So I see
That's
2
right.
inches. So I see 2 plus 3. And then, does this say 7.5?
I think so. Watch, you're gonna be 10 inches off. The
7.5. Okay, but then this amount is 8 3/4.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Then this amount is it's this plus this plus this. Okay, so you have plus 7.5. That gets you this far, right? And then you got to add 2, and then you got to add another 2.
Oh.
And then it's plus 3. This part is 3, and then you go down 2 again, plus 2. So let's see what you get. These 2 together here gets you 15.
Mm-hmm.
This gets you 5. This gets you 9, right? 2, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, that gets you 9. Okay, so 9. So this is all of this together is 29. And then plus this lonely piece here, 8 3/4. So that's 37 3/4. Which, fuck. That's off. Totally fucked up.
Yeah, I know. You're about 10 inches off.
God, please, no! No! No!
Wait,
He
what is
says-
the answer?
Oh, what the fuck is this?
Yeah, it's like 23 or 13. No fucking clue.
Oh, this is the bit. Okay. Oh, I see. Because the issue is, okay, I was assuming that this bottom piece here connected to this, but it doesn't.
Hmm. So it's like 23 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 3/4 plus 3 plus 7 1/2 and another 2.
We can't read this. This image is cooked.
Yo.
I wonder if ChatGPT can solve it. I'm just curious. Let's see if ChatGPT can do it.
Yo.
So that's the wrong question. Oh no. Never mind. Meh. I want to see how good. I want to see how good its OCR was. Because this is testing like human OCR at this point.
What do you mean?
Yeah. OCR stands for it's like something recognition or something. Dude, let's see what it gets.
Oh, it's wrong too. Oh no. Oh wait. Is it?
Wait.
41 and a half. 41.25.
Did it do that right? Wait, let's see. Did it do that right, dude? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 plus 8 3/4.
Where's the 23?
Where's the 2.5 coming from, dude?
It's also blind.
Where's the 2.5 coming from?
There is no 2.5.
Bro, where's this phantom 2.5 coming from?
Yo. It's blind like us, bro.
Also, I had a 7.5, right? You see how I had a 7.5? Wasn't this 7.5? I don't think it adds up anyways. ChatGPT is also cheating because it sees what the right answer is. It's being a little sneaky fucker. Yeah, right? I would think so. You want to know how to test this? Here's how we test this. I'm gonna take this question, and I'm gonna circle all of them.
Oh,
so watch this. Yeah, there you go.
All the answers are correct.
We gotta mess with ChatGPT. Is this AI abuse? Are we doing AI abuse right now, dude?
Yeah, I was gonna say all of them are correct.
Here we go. Solve this question.
Please. I'll extract the necessary details.
Yeah, dude, let's see.
Analyzing.
This reminds me of like those videos of... Dude, wow, the OCR output is not fully clear. Oh, much better than here, dude, where like it just got the answer like right away. Or where was it, the other one? Yeah, I was like, what?
It's like you circled all the answers. I don't know. I don't see the answer.
The correct answer is likely 38.5 based on approximations and possible. Yeah, okay, so no, didn't get it right. Uh-oh.
Did you also get 38.5? Or how much did you get?
I did a different bracket problem. I did do a bracket problem, but it was a different one. It was also not fucking great. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it was the same question. Wait. No. Did I do this bracket problem? Oh, this was it. This was the bracket problem.
Yeah, it's a different one, yeah.
One second, let me clear it. Yeah, Endar, you have a very good memory because I did do a similar bracket problem.
Yeah, but it's different, yeah.
I feel like it's almost the same though. I feel like, yeah, this is supposed to be a 13.
Oh.
I think this is supposed to be a 13. And then all they change is the 8 3/4 to a 9 3/4.
Yeah,
which that makes sense. That makes sense. You see how this is 1 inch longer than this?
Mm-hmm.
That's why this answer is 1 inch longer than this one. Yup. Yeah. Good job, Endar. Thank you for remembering that, dude. That's pretty cool.
Mm.
You get a save for that, Endar. Nice. Okay, cool. All right, and then let's see. I had your other question somewhere. Where was it? Was it here? I hear it was okay. Okay. They just give you a bunch of diagrams of shit.
Yeah, the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5
Mhm.
figures I did it myself. I don't know how to do 6.
So you did this one, the surface area, this one.
Sixth one.
Oh, number 13.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If the soil pipe in figure 6, okay, has a pitch of 1/2 inch per foot, the total drop in a horizontal run of 40. Okay, so this is cool. So, pitch of 1/2 inch per foot. I don't know if I've heard that term before, pitch per foot. But I think this is kind of like grade. So I think what they're saying is that if this goes 1 feet... Well, wait a minute. Is this what 1 foot? Is it like, is this 1 foot? I think this is what it is. 1 foot drops by 1/2 inch.
It shows it on the picture, I think.
Ah, well. Okay. So, yeah, no. I think they call this, if this is 1 foot, then it drops by 1/2 inch. Does that make sense?
Nope.
Okay, yeah, pitch per foot. That tells you the vertical distance it travels for a certain amount of horizontal distance.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So, if this thing travels vertically by 1 foot, then it's going to drop. Sorry, if it travels horizontally by 1 foot, then it's going to drop vertically by 1/2 of an inch. That's what they're saying. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
If you go this direction 1 foot, you drop by 1/2 inch. So, if you go this way 48 feet, okay, how much is it going to drop?
Multiplied by 1/2.
Yeah, good. So what is that?
24
24, but 24 what?
feet.
No.
Disqualified.
Inches.
Inches. It's inches, yeah. So you did this times 48 to get 48 feet. You do this times 48 to get you 24 inches. And 24 inches is how many feet?
2.
2. Nice.
Oh, we're so sorry to hear about your brother that passed away. He gets 5 big.
I have no clue, but yeah, sort of makes sense. I'm so confused. What are they talking about? That's what I'm confused about.
Boom.
What's dropping? What?
It's the fucking Costco people. Sorry, what? Oh, you don't understand you don't understand the question, sorry? You don't understand this?
Yeah, the question itself. What are they talking about though?
They're talking about this. This is the drop.
How the pipe falls?
Yeah. So the pipe is 48 inches this way, right? Or 48 feet. Sorry, this should be 48 feet. Yeah. They want to know how much vertically it drops. Like, what's the difference in the starting height to the ending height of the pipe if it's 48 feet long in the horizontal direction? Does that make sense? They want to know this.
Yeah.
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 And then I explained what pitch is. Pitch is pitch is like, pitch like how high something sounds or something. It's like a change in height type thing. Yeah. So they're saying every time this thing travels a foot in this direction, it drops by 1/2 inch.
Mm-hmm. I see.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, cool. All right, good job. Nice. All right, good. All right, let me help out Equity if he's still around for his coding question. Equity, what's up, dog? I know. I feel it. I feel it, sensation. We've been on for 2 hours and 15 minutes. Yeah, sure, dude. Relations and functions mixed with PNC. What's your question, Freak Bob? Did you put it in? Sorry, did you put it in the Discord? Oh, you did. Well, someone did. Moses did. Yeah, there's the Discord. Yeah, just drop a screenshot and then we have a
we're so sorry to hear about your brother that passed.
Let's go, Costco people. There's a channel here. Yeah. Where we'll go through questions people have. Do them all here. Boom, 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 boom. Moses is ready. Okay, here. We'll do Moses' question while we wait. Okay. Solve the polynomial inequality and graph the solution set on a real number line. Express the solution in interval notation. X cubed plus x squared plus 16x plus 16 is greater than 0. Solve the inequality. Okay. All right.
Gold, when you're done, can you send me the pictures, please?
I will do.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're good. Okay, Jeff has the right idea. So anytime you have a massive polynomial like this, it's not even that big, you know, it's only a cubic. You want to try to factor, yeah. So your teacher will tell you to use the rational root theorem, which means that all the possible roots of this are all the possible factors of this. So that's plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 8, plus or minus 16, all over the factors of this, which is just 1. But this sucks. I don't want to check all of these. What I always tell students to do is just check plus or minus 1 first. So obviously positive 1's not going to work because these are all adding. But if I do negative 1 cubed plus negative 1 squared plus 16 times negative 1 is minus 16 plus 16. These all cancel. Right? 0 here. This becomes positive 1 minus 1. This goes away as well. So negative 1 is a root. Yeah, exactly. Long division for the quadratic. Yeah, you can do, or you can do synthetic, or whatever you want. But yeah, so negative 1 is a root. So that means that x minus the root, so that's x minus negative 1, so x plus 1 is a factor. Fancy words, big man. I know, right? Okay. So I know that x squared plus x cubed plus x squared plus 16x plus 16 is equal to x plus 1 times something else, right? So if I move this over to the other side and divide, then I can figure out what this other part that's left is, okay? So I'm going to do synthetic, because I like synthetic. So that means this is minus 1, and this is 1, 1, 16, 16. Carry down, 1, negative 1, 0. That's 16, and then minus 16. Which is just 0. Okay, cool. Nice. So this tells me this is going to be x squared plus 16. All right. Oh, interesting. All right, cool. So, yeah, I think you're good. I think I did everything for you. There's no more real solutions, exactly. Yeah, because now you have x plus 1, x squared plus 16 is equal to 0, or sorry, is greater than 0. And these don't work. There's no way to get this equal to 0. So you only have negative 1 really being a turning point. These are imaginary roots. This would be plus or minus 4i, I guess. Yeah, I forget how imaginary roots like manifest themselves. Curse you imaginary numbers, yeah. Okay, so then all you have to do is you set up like your number line here. And I say, cool, negative 1, I know it's equal to 0. And just check to the left and to the right. So I'm going to check here. I'm gonna check here. Nice. All right, equity's back. Okay, cool. We'll do yours soon. So if I plug in 0, I get 16 is greater than 0. So that's okay. So this is a check. Wavy curve is the best method for check. What is wavy curve? And then putting in -2, that gets me -8. That's +4, and then that's -32 plus 16. This is going to be negative, so this is no. So the solution set is just that x is greater than -1, I believe. Yeah, what is wavy curve, dog? What? Nice. Good job. It's a good question. I like that one. Let's go watch. Oh, he wants interval notation? Okay, sorry. So we celebrated too early. In interval notation, yeah, exactly. It would be -1, comma, positive infinity. Correct. Yeah, exactly. You don't include a bracket here because nothing can equal infinity. And it obviously can't equal -1 because that -1 is equal to 0. If this was an equal sign here, then you would make this a bracket. X belongs to -1 to infinity. Okay, I want to see what this is. What's the wavy curve
Are you
method?
struggling in your calculus class?
Well,
Do you
is this
have
person going to help
trust in
me?
Your instructor?
I do have a hard
wish
time.
there was a simpler way?
Well, I actually kind of want to see what this
It's
is.
frustrating. You go to class expecting answers.
Okay,
only to
but
walk
yeah,
away
what
with
are you
more
going
questions.
to? Where's the
Your
advertisement?
teacher in your textbook skip those
Okay.
important.
Actually, I kind of want to like learn more about this person. You can turn your calculus grade around. Calc workshop. Wow. This person actually looks pretty cool. Okay, but let's see how much it costs though. Oh wow, they have classes for discrete math. Yo, what is this? What is all this stuff? Damn.
The competition.
Yeah, but I mean, we're non-profit, so like, I do this shit for free. I don't know how much is this bitch charging, dude? What? Okay, but where's the price? There we go. Get my subscription. Yeah, blah 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 blah. This is called long form sales copy. $29 per month, $250 per year. It's not bad. But I mean, all this information is already available, like, for free on YouTube. You just have to go find it. Anyways, okay, sorry, let's skip. I actually want to see what's the wavy curve method? Prodigy Educare. Wow, great. Okay, cool. Wait, what? No. Dude, excuse me. Can I just want to drag. Okay. All right, so they make a number line. Oh, I see. Skip to 25 seconds. First of all, am I able to understand this person?
Which has variety of applications.
Oh god, yeah.
From
Here's
topics
the
of
Indian
algebra,
accent.
like binomial theorem, quadratic expressions, inequalities, to topics of calculus like functions, limits, then applications.
Okay.
We must
but
have 0. Fit these factor to 0.
Yeah.
So I'm having here 2, then I have 5, then I'll have -3 here, then I'm having -7/2. And then I have.
So he's putting the zeros and also the
-7. Okay, perfect.
like the
I will start
asymptotes.
from rightmost side and top side. So
Okay.
this is how a wavy curve will come. It will hit the first critical value, which is 5. Now we'll check the factor of this critical value, which is x minus 5. Now its power is 2, which is an even number. So
Yeah.
whenever power is even
So
number,
it bounces. Wow. Okay.
-3, its factor
Okay.
is
I see how this is working. This is cool, man.
0. At that case,
Oh, this is cool. Wait, I gotta see the after he draws it though.
again the wavy curve will change its side. Then we have
Yes, it is the
-7.
multiplicity.
-7, its power is 4, which is an even number, so wavy curve won't change its sign. So here it is. We have
Okay,
drawn
so
our
let's see.
wavy curve. Now, since we have greater than 0, so on wherever the curve is above our number line, those regions we have to select. For example, this region we have to select, then this region. Also, we have this region. We also have to notice that there's an equality sign as well. So whenever numerator becomes 0, that values of x should also be included. So numerator becomes 0 at these critical values. So
Right, but you don't add the bottom ones then,
5
right?
must be included. I'll show this.
But do you
by a
include
shaded
2?
circle. Then minus 7 by 2 should be included. Minus 3 should be included.
Yeah.
Now, the critical values of denominator are never included.
Yeah, because these are
Because
asymptotic,
if
right? Yeah.
denominator becomes 0, at that case, this whole expression will become undefined. So here it is, the complete wavy curve. Now,
It's cool. Yeah, this is cool, man. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, Endar's right. Yeah, the bouncing is due to multiplicity, crosses due to odd multiples, and then he considers whether it's the numerator or the denominator, for whether it's an asymptote or whether it's a or a 0. Whether you're dividing by 0 or multiplying by 0, basically. That's really cool, Freak Bob. That's cool, man.
My man.
Yeah, that's a cool method, dude. I still like just plugging in points, though. Yeah. For me, it's like how much storage do you have up here, right? So his way works, but for me to remember all the peculiarities of it might be a little much. I did check Discord. Is this you? Are you giving me some set theory here, dog? Is this like set theory? Yes, exactly. No, I agree, Freak Bob. You can think of the logic, right? For sure, right? Yeah, if it's on the top, it's included. If it's on the bottom, it's not. And then the bouncing and stuff. And also, I guess you gotta make sure if the overall power is positive or negative, right? Yeah. You have some news to share. Okay. What news do you want to share?
Fucking keep it to yourself.
Sensation, be nice.
No, go on, tell us seriously.
Yeah, Freak Bob, what's up? What's your news, dude?
You won't tell us though because I've been a dick to him.
God damn it.
Disqualified.
Did he DM me? Where's the news? I teach a couple kids for hardcore stuff like me and sometimes can't answer them. This is one of the doubts. Oh, yeah, you're okay, dude. So the exciting news is that Freak Bob tutors kids as well, but you're tutoring like a kid in this? Okay. Yeah, I don't know if I can answer this one either, but we'll try. Mainly because this is okay. This is like discrete math is what this is, right?
If you're teaching a kid that, they are going to have massive problems later on in life.
What, we're just gonna call them nerds?
If they are a child in the literal sense and they have got to that level, they're already fucked. They'll never have children of their own.
I will say there probably are some mental, yeah. The prodigy thing is real, dude. What's up, workaholic? Read what I sent. What did you send? You have to tell me where you sent it.
Who?
Because there are many channels in my Discord. It's like 30. Or did you DM it to me? Because then I gotta check my requests. Because we have to be friends. Or maybe you sent it in office hours? Where'd you send it?
Help screenshots.
No, I don't see it. Okay, whatever. I'll try and do this one. 17-year-olds are still kids. Oh. Where'd you say he was 17?
Only in the US.
Oh. It's in help screenshots? Oh, yeah, you can't put text into help screenshots. You can only put screenshots in help screenshots. If you write text on help screenshots, it'll get rid of the text. That's a way to just like clean things up, because otherwise kids would just spam the channel with like random stuff. So we only allow screenshots. Okay. You can see this though, right? This is the question. So S is a set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the number of the elements of the set, S by S, onto S. Or you put it in library or library reading room. Oh, okay. Okay, that's an interesting place to put this. But okay. Yeah, if you want to write text, you can either write it in our Discord stage chat or you can put it in office hours. There's an office hours channel, but this is okay too. All right, let's read your text here. So for it to be an onto function, we would have to take f11. No, it's okay. You're new here, freak. It's fine. We do not get 1 in any other case. The neat thing about this is that then we would calculate the number of into function later. Onto functions equals total minus into. Okay, because what? There's only 2 cases, intos and ontos. If we do not fix 1, 1 as 1, then we would have 4 cases for 1, 1. So we calculate total minus into. See, this is even above my pay grade, dude. What's going on here? Okay, let me just try to understand this. F is onto, and FAB equals FBA. So, okay. Wait. FAB equals FBA. What is this statement here? A is within AB, and AB is within S by S. Oh, FAB is equal to FB. Okay. I think I'm okay. Sorry. So, you're saying let S be a set of 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me digest this slowly. And F is a function, S by S, which maps onto S. F is onto, and you're saying FAB is equal to FBA, so it doesn't matter the order I put it into the function, which is always greater than or equal to A, and A comma B is contained in S by S. Yeah, I need to understand this question first before I can even understand your doubt. Yeah. What level math is this? This is not high school. This is what Sensation's point is. Like, this is not high school math. I would.
My point is, you need to stop treating your not children like children and calling them children.
Yeah, this is not a kid. This is a genius, dude. What?
Because we've started having that problem over here because we've been taking our cues from you over the past 20 years.
Yeah. Oh, for all AB. Oh, okay. That's what it means. Sorry, for all AB. For all AB. It is definitely optional, dude. This is optional even in college. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, so 1 and B is equal to B and 1, and that's greater than equal to 1, right? Sure. But this can only be equal to 4, right? Yeah, because you can't have anything, because these 1, 2, 3, 4s only map to a single number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, cool. But sorry, what's the difference between onto and into? They want the number of elements in the set. Ugh. man, here we go. Onto hits every value in the codomain. Okay.
Well, do you want the good news or the bad news?
Give me the bad news
Seriously,
sensation.
Bad
Give me the
news.
bad news.
This is
Give me the
completely off topic.
Yeah. What's up?
The good
What's bad
news is it's one of the greatest things I've ever seen.
Okay, send it to me, please. Oh, I gotta check it out on Facebook though. All right, I'll check it afterwards. Oh man. What is? Sorry, what's the codomain? Co means together, right? Like cooperative. Domain means like what values am I allowed to put in? So codomain. Onto. Okay, wait. Total is 72. Why is there 72? Sorry. 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 2. I know domain. Yeah. Thanks, Endar. Yeah, domain is the input. Codomain is the possible outputs. Range is the actual outputs the function hits. Okay, cool. So the range of this function would be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just PNC. I don't know what PNC is. This is all very high level math. Oh, permutations and combinations. Okay, I know what those things are. Yes. Like 4 choose 3 or something. Yeah. I understand those. Okay, here's my question. Why are we highlighting these ones? Like, because they are fixed. Okay. Onto means surjective. Y'all are... I'm learning so many new words today. I appreciate this, but... Onto plus 1-to-1. Bijective, injective. Wow. Is this discrete math? What is it? What level of math is this? This is like the unknown territory of math that I haven't really that I flirt with through my associations, right, with Penn Center and Zach and Eric and stuff. But I actually don't know as much about this. But I would like to know. I always enjoy learning things. It's fun. It's really just relation. Yeah, I love when they put fun little basic names for things. Yes, we love Penn Center. Yeah, me and Penn Center are homies. Yeah, Penn is I'm the physics Penn Center. Is greater than or equal to A. Oh, yeah, if you have a physics doubt, yeah, send that to me. I can probably help you with that a lot easier than this. But it sounds like people in my chat can help you with this. I'll be totally honest, because I think honest communication is very important in life. I have no fucking clue how to do this. But I appreciate like learning it a little bit. We could probably draw a table. Yeah. This is something, yeah, I have to pass off to like people who know more math than me. I top out at like DiffyQ. This reminds me of, for instance, something that seems as innocuous and simple as, you know, number theory. And you're like, oh, just numbers, right? And then, nope. No. It's way more. All right, cool. Yeah. Send me the physics one. I can help you out with the physics one. I hope, unless your kid is like asking about, I don't know, quantum mechanics or something, and then I'm gonna be upset. I hate quantum. But anything else, I'm usually pretty decent with. I think thermo. At this level, math branches, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you are totally right, Saint. I agree. This is probably easier from a computational point of view than DiffyQ, but it's a different language, right? You're using different theories and concepts that are not taught in the typical math pathway for most STEM students. Most STEM students after calculus will take vector calc. Vector calc is sometimes part of the calculus train, but they'll usually take differential equations or they'll take linear algebra. Those are like the two, and then past that it's either like complex analysis or like real analysis. Yeah, and these are the branches that like I never got to this branch in math because I was on the physics branch, but I always like learning about it. We do have a basics of quantum, but nothing crazy. All basic stuff like black body radiation, photoelectric. Yeah, conservation of mechanical energy. Yeah, for sure. Look at equities while I wait. This is also too pure math for me. Yeah. Wow, congrats, dude, on finishing a math econ masters, though. That's cool, man. A lot of econ uses, especially if it's microeconomics, uses a lot of math. A lot of really cool math models and stuff. I solved it because we were taught to deal with it. Yeah, just deal with it. Okay, cool. Cool, Freak Bob. Send it over. Cool. Alright, let me see this. Physics I like. Alright, an asteroid was fast approaching the Earth. Science, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, cool. Immediately after the hit... Wait. Okay. Wait, what? So they want to know this? Okay, so here's my question. Am I taking gravitational effects into account here? Because I mean this technically is going to be an arc. Or am I allowed, are you assuming that it just keeps going like that way? Yeah, so, yeah, Freak Bob. Do they want gravity with this? In part 2, they assume that the charge is charged particle and the planet is as well. Well, no. Oh, let me see the solution. Oh, okay, cool. It is an arc. Yep, here we go. Yeah. Correct, but yes, there is gravity. So, yeah, okay. Oh, wow, they do it by conservation of angular momentum. For this one, I think he got 35. Yeah, 35 into. Gravity is the central force, and torque at the center would be 0. Dude, what school of pain do you teach at? They're cool. These are cool questions. But they're incredibly painful. Okay. Conservation angle momentum around O. Sure. Well, L is equal to I omega, right? And if this is a point mass, right? Isn't this then going to be mr squared? Then omega is V over R. Sure, that cancels. Okay, so MRV. Okay, or MVR. Sure, okay. MVR. But then you care about... Right, you care about the perpendicular velocity component. So, okay. I see why that's sine of theta, sure. It's not painful if you learn to deal with it, honestly. Yeah. Yeah, but this is... yeah. But to most kids, this would scare them the fuck away from physics. Like, yeah. It's cool. It's cool, but it's I don't know, man. One second. Let me make sure I understand this first, though. V equals mv not sine theta. I agree with that. And then 5r. Cool. And then... Oh, okay. Theta's 30 degrees. Sure. So it's 1/2. Okay, cool. All right. Yeah, sure. That's cool. This part you don't agree with? It's not charged particles. It's just the gravitational force, right? Gravitational force is big G m1 m2 over r squared. So then you can say gravitational potential is big G m1 m2 over r. Well, what is part 2 asking for, sorry? Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, I got you. Sorry. One second, I gotta reload this. It's mad at me. We've been working for too long. Oh, there's a part 2 where they're charged. Okay. So, yeah, by energy conservation, 1/2 mv squared here, sure. And then they're considering this negative potential because out at r equals infinity, it's considered 0. Sure. And right, as this gets smaller, this is going to get bigger. When should I consider self-energy? What do you mean self-energy? You just need energy due to... So, whenever you're considering energy, it's what Jeff was talking about, which is it has to do with the work done on something, and the work is proportional to the force. So you have to consider what forces are there. So in the case of... That's why at the beginning of this I asked, like, is this a gravitational question? Then yeah. You have to consider the force of gravity, which has an associated potential. If you're considering that electrostatic forces are also pertinent, then you have to consider the electrostatic potential as also part of the energy. Self-energy of a hollow sphere is kq over 2r squared, and solid would be 3kq. What do you mean by self-energy? You mean potential? Potential from it? You want to consider... Yeah, outside the sphere. Yeah, for sure. Anytime there's a force, you have to set the energy associated. You have to figure out where the 0 is for that. Which a lot of times, because these things are like over r, is when r is infinitely far away. And then you're like, okay, cool. The force is 0 there. We're going to call the energy there equal to 0. And then you have to think about how much work has to be done in order to bring the object out from where you define the potential energy to be 0 to where it is. That's why you start considering it, energies. When you say that a hollow sphere has that much potential energy, the sphere doesn't have energy. If a particle is outside of it at that location, it will experience that amount of energy. Yeah. Yeah, this is kind of, I think, what they're talking about. Yeah, right? You have to think about pulling something like a test charge out at infinity. This is what I'm looking at. Yeah, okay. Right? Work is... I don't agree with how they're writing this, but What? Dude, what? What? No. KQQ over R squared. What is it? It's grad U is equal to... No, grad F. One sec. Grad F is equal to U, is what this is. And so then if you integrate both sides... wait 1 second. No, grad F, force, energy. No, F equals grad U. That's what I want. Okay, here we go. This is it. Yeah, okay. This is the main... This is just how all physics works. If you have a conservative force, which means that there's no energy lost to outside things when things happen, then F is equal to negative grad U. Yeah, gradients are just derivatives, right? So if you had, for instance, the classic one here is the force of gravity, right? The force of gravity is equal to mg, right? Which is equal to negative ddx of like some energy. So if you move dx over here, and then you integrate, and then what you have to do is you have to set somewhere where the energy is equal to 0, okay? So you could say like, I don't know, height 0, height 1, and then this is from 0 to energy. Then you get, right, mgh is equal to... Oh, and then I got the minus sign wrong here somewhere. Oh, okay. But the force of gravity points down. Force of gravity points down. Yeah, I forgot about that. The force of gravity is negative to dx, right? Yeah, okay. So that gets you this. And then you get U is equal to mgh. Yeah. So, in the case of what you have here when you have a... Yeah, it's the work done by gravity. It's the work done... The work done by the force is then the negative gradient of that is associated with an energy. Did I not do yours, Adarsh? Adarsh, I did yours. Were you not? You have another question. Where's your other question? Oh. We did this one. I know I did this one. Also, is Equity still here? I'm sorry, Equity. Let me help you out too. But hey, it's cool. No, these are cool questions, Freak Bob. I especially appreciate the physics one because I have more of a tool set to explain this to you than the math stuff, because I just don't know the language. This stuff I understand the language. I know what's happening here. But these are brutal. These are pretty hard. They definitely force you to think a lot outside the box. But yeah. Here you're only considering the forces of gravity, so you only have to consider potentials due to gravity. Once you have electrostatic forces, then you have to consider potentials due to electrostatic stuff. Oh, okay. There's that one. Okay. Dude, fuck. God damn it, Jeff. What is this, Jeff? Jeff, what the fuck? Dude, excuse me. Excuse me? What the fuck is this? Jeff. I'll give you... You did give humor. I get you some humor points, dude. Okay. One sec. A, B... Oh, B is 90. Love that. A, B, C. This is 90. BC is 16. AC is 20. They make another triangle. Damn it. Whatever. D, E, F is similar. Cool. Is 1/3 length of ABC. What is it? The angle of sine of F. Okay, cool. So the cool thing about this is a 3-4-5. A Darsh, right? Yes, this is a 3-4-5. So this is 12, 16, 20. So if you multiply this by 1/3, this is 4. What is this? (16/3, 20/3). Okay. And they want to know what the value of sine of F. So opposite over hypotenuse. So it's 4 times 3/20. 12/20. Which, yeah, is going to be 3/5. Do you see that, Adarsh? You don't need to use law of sines for this, actually. Yeah, nice. Yeah, cool. Equity, what's up? Equity, you still here? I'm going to tag him, ping him again. Yeah. Where's Sir Bob Ross's? Yo, okay. What do you need help with, Equity? Was it question 12 in your computer science? The magic square? Wait, where's question 12? Is this supposed to be 12? Is this a 1 and a 2? Is this supposed to be this? It's supposed to be 1, 2? Okay, cool. Magic square is a grid of numbers arranged such that the total of blah 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 all have the same number. Okay, cool. It's like Sudoku. Okay. Okay, you're just dumping code. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Oh, let me see this guy. The only way to get better, Freak Bob, is to just do it. Just practice. When I first started out, yeah, you get what's called like your streaming legs. You'll figure it out. Just do it, and don't worry about being embarrassed, dude. There's way more embarrassing fucking OnlyFans people doing weird shit for money. So like, you can do whatever. You're great. Yeah. Yeah, no, and me too. I used to always like pre-work all the problems out before, and now you can just take them as they come. Hey, don't diss on OnlyFans. Sorry, Jeff. I don't mean to insult your way of making money. OnlyFans are people too. Okay.
The word you are looking for is whores.
Are we allowed to say that word anymore, dude? I don't know.
Whores, retard.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, don't go too far.
Cracker.
Cracker. Instagram has a subscription now. It does. Yes. Yeah. I don't think anyone actually really uses it. My feet are my gold. Actual feet. We're waiting for it. Okay. Sorry, what? What does it say in line 10? What is this? Sorry, what? Where's line 10? Okay. All right, here. Let's just take his code and just see what happens. We do have an AMA this week. I'm gonna announce it today. I got her profile picture today. Yeah, well, I'm gonna see if this is the code I need. Let's see if this does something. Well, first problem. This has to be public class main. Yeah, you're okay. Yeah, I was gonna announce it today. Why does this not work? I have no, yeah, STN. Well, I have scanner. Are you not allowed to import scanner on this? Man, what was that Java emulator that everyone uses? Yeah, there's no way to input things on this. Yeah, there's another one that had this. What was it called? Was it JDoodle? Oh, maybe it was this. This looked kind of similar. Jesus, this looks ugly. Oh, okay. Oh, wow, this code actually works. Very cool. 3. Do 11. Is that gonna like break this thing if we run it? Just because it's just nested loop like crazy. Wow, no, it did it quick. Wow, that's pretty cool. I don't know how this magic square code actually works though. Sorry, what? It is magic. Yeah, bro, where did this algorithm come from? Where did this come from? Okay. So all you need to do... Okay. Modify the program so it prints out the row, column, and diagonal totals alongside the magic square. Oh, okay. Okay, so MIJ is the magic square. We need a Pascal's triangle as well. Okay, cool. A, B, C, D. Okay. Here, I'll do this part. You want me to just do this? This was the base code given. Oh, they gave you code at least. Oh, nice. Okay. So he's saying they at least gave them this amount of the code. They did give them the algorithm. This is cool. That's nice that they gave you the code. I don't know why this algorithm works, by the way. Your friend got a 30 on his chem test. Sounds like he should come by our streams and get some help. Yeah, 30 out of what? Out of 100?
Yeah, in total.
He studied for 5 hours? Well, he studied the wrong thing for 5 hours, is what I would say. You study for 5 hours, you should be able to get a decent grade. 30 is not passing. 30 is definitely not passing. No. Oh, man. Okay, here's all we have to do. Here, I'm gonna do a little modify down here in my system. Got that print line. I'm gonna say, here is the new output with totals. Sorry, let me make sure I don't have enough students I'm supposed to teach today. Okay. All right. So as we're going down, it's row then column, right? Okay. As we're going across the column, we're gonna create a little variable here. I'll show you. That's gonna be called like I'm gonna call it like the row total. Okay. So I'm gonna say integer row total. Okay. And then here, as we get to a row, I'm gonna say row total equals 0. And then here, I'm gonna say row total plus equals mij. So we're just gonna add whatever the element is in as we're going across the row. Okay, and then at the end here, I'm going to system.out.print, and then I think we're going to do row total plus, and then here let's put a tab. I like the tab. That's cool. And then, well, actually no, let's put the tab first. There we go. So let's see if this works. Let's just see if this works. I'm just curious. Also, I'm missing all my semicolons. Okay. Let's see if this runs. So this will at least put the totals here on the right. Like most things, you want to test stuff. Oh well, okay, fuck. What's it? Okay, where? Test it in pieces. Dude, what? Okay. Another. I'm too used to Python, where I don't need this semicolon bullshit. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Cool. Yeah. You see that equity? See how now we have those totals? So, how to get the column totals though? Oh. So after we've printed everything, we then have to like go down a specific column. So here we're gonna say for j equals 0, blah 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 blah. Let's just take all this. And then I'm gonna sum everything in the. This would be so easy in Python, but whatever. Because Python just lets you iterate through things crazy fast. Okay, so here we want to make a thing called column total. Okay. And then we want to do this. I want to do... And then we just want to print it. Okay, I think that'll work. Nice. There we go. And then you just got to put a system dot out on the print line here. Oh, and then if you wanted to put equals, I guess. Okay, cool. And then here. Yeah, the diagonals is a little bit of a pain. That's not terrible. Alright, let me make sure this looks okay, though. Cool, right? Yeah, and now for the diagonal, you're just gonna make the same thing here. So we're gonna make another variable called diagonal total. Kind of the same thing. I'm gonna say diag total. And actually, well, there's only one diagonal, right? So we just set diagonal total equal to 0. There's not multiple diagonals, right? Oh, there are technically. There are 2 diagonals you gotta do. You can do them in the same loop if you just assume the diagonals are the same. Sig figs is just lazy error analysis, is what I say. It's the poor man's cheating way to do like proper error analysis. I think I technically need 2 diagonals, unless there's a clever way to do it. Oh, okay, yeah. One is MII, and one is MI because it's going backwards. Yeah, I'm gonna put 2 values for it just in case. You're right. I can do it on like 1 line of code, but let's just set it this, and then we're gonna just do. So this is just gonna be MJ. MSJ. Oh, I guess I gotta put this before. Well, they want you to pad the whole thing, don't they? Yeah, there's probably a +1 off there somewhere. Yeah, we'll figure it out. This is where you just test it out and just see what happens. Let's just call this Good to see you, Freak Bob. Thanks for coming by, dude. No, longest has been almost 4 hours. It's a pretty long one, though. Uh-oh. Array index out of bounds. I believe, yeah, there is a +1 on there, isn't there? That's where you just run the code until it fucking works. You're just like, yeah, whatever. Oh, it's still mad at us. Damn. Why? Yeah, what's wrong with here? Why would you MI shake? Because let me kind of show what I'm doing here. So in one way, equity, you're having to do this, right? You're having to go this way. So this is, for instance, 0, 0. And then this one is 1, 1. And then this one is 2, 2. Right? That's how I add these diagonals. Yes, I know. It's always happening. But then if I want to do these diagonals, right? This is now 0, 2. This is still 1, 1. And then this is 2, 0. So in this case, I needed to go from 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 1. In this case, I needed it to go from 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0. So this is still going up from 0 to n minus 1. Oh, sorry, this is 2, 2. Here, I need them to switch. So here, this is, right, this is 0, and then this is n, which is equal to 3. Oh, yes, minus j minus 1. Yeah. Because here, right, j is equal to 0. Okay, that's the issue. Yes, n minus j minus 1. It was either a minus 1 or a +1. I knew it was one of those. Okay. Oh, well, that's not good. Oh, wait, because I need to do it after the total. Also, I need to change diag total 1 and diag total 2. Lots of errors. Okay, there we go. That should run now. Yes, thank you. Because otherwise it was, yeah, I was getting lazy with the copy paste. How do you know j is equal to 3? There you go. See? It got the 15. How do you know j equals 3? I don't know j equals 3. In that case, j went up to 3 because I defined n equal to 3. So it's n minus j, because j is indexing this. J is equal to 0, j is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. That's picking which row I'm in. And then the column, right? The column needs to start at 3 minus 0 minus 1. So the column starts at 2. And then it goes to 1. You see how this is 3 minus j? Well, j is now equal to 1. So 3 minus 1 is now 1. And then when it's down to here, j is equal to 2. So 3 minus 2 minus 1 gets you 0 for the column. Yeah. Does that make sense? Yeah. You see? Yeah. It's basically because the row is going, yeah, and then I need the column to come backwards. The row's going up, the column needs to come down to get the other diagonal. As to like putting in that other diagonal beforehand, it's just a fucking formatting. It's formatting bullshit. I don't know. Just you need to pretty annoying actually. Like, how do you put the other diagonal here? This is where I would just have it just printed again. Because you don't, yeah, it's like super annoying to have it print all the, I think you could do it here. Here's what we're going to have it do. We're going to have it do this. Watch this. We're going to have it print. So that diagonal would be diagonal total 2 technically. And then we're going to have it do this, print diagonal 2 to 1. I seriously am here, Zach, right? Okay, here we go. This should just work. This should just run now. Yeah, we could have it just do another tab before if we wanted it to. Why is my code not running now? What? Execute. Oh, now it just doesn't want to do anything? Wait. Wait, now the code doesn't do anything at all. Fuck. I think it maybe just me mad at us. Okay. I'm confused because now we're not getting any output at all. What the hell? This web compiler is upset at us. Okay, well, here's what I would do. I agree, you should need to put, before doing all the... This is the row total. Okay. I think you should put another tab here. That'll move everything over by 1. And then you'll have the row total, and then when coming to the column totals, you want it to print Fembox, you're a great Fembox. I love you all. I want diag total 2 here. I wanted to print this, and then I want it to print diag total 1. There you go. This I think is a total code. This would work. I don't know why it's not compiling right now on this thing. It's just mad. Yeah, because now it says just compiled and executed. Like, what the fuck? Oh, this is the one. Okay, here, one sec. We gotta rename this to Magic Java. The curly bracket light. No, no. I'm only doing it because I don't want to. Because someone else gave me their code. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, okay. One sec. We need to like not put a tab on this last one here. There we go. That's what we need. We need this. Okay, and then we need to put, sorry, put one more tab. There we go. There we go. Okay, now it looks beautiful. Okay, this is it. This is the final code. Let me edit this. There we go. That's the final code. Because this looks correct to me. See how it has the diagonal here and the diagonal here. Yeah. Okay, cool. You need reminders, Dr. Gold. Do 11? What's 11? We did 11. Question 11? Talking about what was it? This one. Oh, you want me to do an 11 by 11 magic square? Okay, cool. Yeah, let's do it. All right, fine. There you go. 671 is the total. Look at that magic square. Yeah. 11 by 11 magic square. Nice. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. What about the last question? What the fuck was the last question? Do all values of n yield a true magic square? I thought it was only odd values, right? Do all values? I mean, I don't know. I mean, try 27. Do we just want to like start breaking some things? Okay, fine. We can try it again. I mean, I think eventually this just becomes prohibitive. But yeah, I mean, it's working, but it just can't display it in the console. Are you saying, like, does it work with even numbers? I don't think it does. So what, you just want me to comment that? Comment this? Whatever. Yeah, this doesn't work, right? This just, like, fucks up. It gets the rows okay, but the columns it messes up. Wait, you want me to try like 8? Yeah, it gets all the rows correctly, but for whatever reason the columns it's actually cool. The columns offset. Look, 256, 264, 256. 264. So yeah, there's some, I don't know, again, I don't know where this algorithm comes from. But yeah, cool. Wait, were you trying to get me to pull a Zach? What's pulling a Zach? What is pulling a Zach, dude? Trying to crash the stream? Trying to get me to break the internet, dude. Okay, cool. 3 hours and 35 minutes. It's not a record, but it's pretty up there. But, making a computation so intensive it crashes your stream. Yes, it only works for odd numbers. What's up, Hikaru? What's going on, dog? You had a big cheeseburger? That's cool. I'm about to eat a big cheeseburger. I'm fucking starving. Yeah, I did a 60-hour marathon, and Jeff asked me to do a computation that crashed my stream. No. Oh, man. That's like if I started trying to fire up any of the local model AI stuff here. Because I'm running so many monitors, my graphics card would just like melt, and then everything would break. Okay, cool. All right, let's end the stream. I'm tired. Thank you, everyone, for coming to Office Hours. Had a fun time working with all you guys. Lots of great questions today. Again, yes, please make sure to go follow all our amazing math streamer friends. Yes, awesome, yes. And then we have a calendar, of course. Go check out as well. Fembox, yeah. The bot, that's for the kids who keep spamming emojis in my chat. But yeah, you guys are fine. Okay, cool. Our next stream will be tomorrow. It'll be an hour later, 4 o'clock Pacific, 6 p.m. Central, 7 p.m. Eastern. We do have an AMA guest on Friday. I will announce her later today. So be on the look for that. Otherwise, let's go see who we're going to go raid. Mountain Time. I'm sorry. I skipped Mountain Time for you. I'm sorry, Jeff. Let's see. Who do we got? Who do we got that's streaming? Whales and Evolutions. No one really does much on Mondays. Zach is in Mountain Time. Oh, we deserve equal representation. Yeah, you guys do. Okay, fine. So wait, what would it be for Mountain Time? So it's 4 o'clock Pacific. Sorry, 4 Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, 7 Eastern. Okay, all right. I'll say that because I like that. Because usually I get it mixed up doing the +2 + +3, but now I know it's +1 +2 +3. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Cool. Okay. Let's go say hi to Science. He's at least doing stuff with microscopes, which are cool. Otherwise, yeah. Have a wonderful President's Day. Rest of your vacation, holiday. We will see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the start of the week. Peace. Thank you too. Yeah,
it's been used.
That's pretty Gucci, eh?